Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, everybody. I don't know why I was saying hello instead of hello. It's just kind of what I go to a lot of times. I, it's it's just a weird thing. I don't know why. I don't know why I picked it up, but like occasionally when I'm just like entering the house or like I'm entering a room and I don't know if somebody's there, I just say hello, hello. I don't know why. It's just a thing I do, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna be playing more Fields of Mystria. I don't know why. My brain is like, oh yes, there are specific words in it that's meant to make it kind of sound like mystery or mysteries, and but it's also doesn't sound like mystery. So why don't we invert that M and turn it into a W, and we'll do it Miss Wistria. Wisteria, hysteria. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. My brain is weird sometimes, and I just gotta accept it. I also still have not finished my coffee, so I know it is a bit early from when I've usually been streaming, but I've not finished my coffee yet. I will not be able to play for too long today. I only have like 4 hours total to stream before I gotta get ready for work, and that has now declined to about 3 hours and 45 minutes. So yeah, only got roughly 3 hours to play today by this point. But I have progressed a little bit. Today's goal is to progress the game a bit more instead of grinding and getting up a lot of things. But I do have I did play a little bit after stream, and so we're gonna be doing that. Not let me rework that. I did play a little bit last night, and I changed up some things, so I'm gonna show that first, and then we're gonna try and progress the story. Which, in order to do that, I need to find two specific things. So I don't know where they are, but I have a rough idea where they are, and we're gonna go for it. Hopefully this will... Yep, there we go. Alright, time to get rid of the music. Wait, does it still play the music even if it's... Oh, it still plays the music even if it's gone. It's just visually not there. Good to know, good to know. Alright, let's get into it. Actually, wait, I want to see... Okay, the music does also pause for you guys whenever I click out of the game. Alright. I'm so very happy that Pink told me that I could play on controller today, because that's what I've basically exclusively been doing. Hello, kitty. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it is raining today. Shoot, I have crops. Nope, wrong button. I have crops. Anything else? I have cucumbers. I have this chest over here. Put that away. Okay. Then I guess I could sell the rest of these. Or I could just use them to cook, which I will likely do. This is my cooking chest. But because it's a mines day, I kind of want to just, like, speed through this. Yeah, I'm gonna do mines real quick. But I want to take up as much time as I can in the mines, because that's where I need to find the things that I need. So I don't want to waste any time. I say as I request for seaweed. I gotta get seaweed. Okay. I also changed up my controls a bit, so things move a bit more smoothly for me. So there are more, that means there's more room for misinputs, because I changed my controls around, and of course my brain is still not up to par with that. Okay. It's 7:40 a.m. We are still good. I also want to get up quite a bit of copper. Okay. I'm gonna go from the top down. Okay. We're gonna go from the top down and see if we can find it, because the specific things I need to find are... Hey, I need to talk to her. The specific things I need to find are a stone loach. So if there's any bit of water in the level, I need to make sure that I fish there. And then I also need to find an upper mines mushroom. So the more floors I go through, the better. Also, I am so very happy they added an auto mine button, because it's actually so much faster than the charging. Hello. Also, just for fun, I have, I've been given 3 ingots for... What is it so far? Let's see. Shovel... I've been given 3 ingots so far for silver, and I think what I'm gonna do is... Once I get 1 more ingot of silver, I'm just gonna upgrade my, my sword. Just because I think it'd be funny to just destroy everything and that's possible. Sweet. Mine's Arch. Ooh. I'll take that, thank you very much. Okay, I don't see any mushrooms, so we're just gonna carry on. It is also very nice to get up that... to get a lot of copper. Because I do need to fully upgrade my armor at some point. Not like I need it when I can dodge everything, but still. It's nice having that safety net. Sometimes even if you don't think you're gonna fall, you still gotta have that safety net. Ooh, I'll take that flower though. Okay. Whoop. Give me that, thank you. Alright. So the way I have my controller set up for the, auto mine, where you can see, like, I mine pretty fast, instead of just, like, what is it? Yeah, that's about as fast as I can probably mine. So, the way I have my controller set up is that I have the auto attack, auto mine to binded to my, like, right analog stick. Oop, wrong tool. I have it bound to my right analog stick, so I just need to, like, move it like I'm wanting to look around. Okay. Speaking of looking around. Okay, I still don't see any mushrooms or any places to... Okay, that's a moth. That's one of the things I needed to get originally. Also, mining does also give me a lot of, the... experience points, I guess we could call them. I forget what they're actually called. Essence? Okay, and there's a treasure chest. Sweet. Ooh. Tiny essence stone? Mine's wall lamp. Ooh, I want to learn how to make that. Okay, ooh, mushroom, mushroom. Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Badger, 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 mushroom, mushroom. I don't know how that thing actually goes, but I remember the basis. I know it's a mushroom badger thing. Ow! Hey. Stop being mean. Why must you be mean to me? Alright. Here we go. Ooh. What? Hold on, hold on, hold on. What can I get rid of? I'll get rid of this. Sweet root. A root that grows in caves underground. Makes a great snack even when eaten raw. Ooh, thing to donate. Okay. So we have that. Ah, I'd love to pick that up too. That's a great gift for a certain somebody. Screw it, I'll throw that. Okay. I think I'm just gonna head up donate some of these and drop things off so I have my inventory back. Okay. Mushroom! Yes, there's only about one more thing, and it is fishing! And I really gotta just get lucky with the fishing. Right, I get a speed boost every time I do that stuff. Many of the ley lines I've discovered seem to converge at the Narrows, and the mines I suspect. Curious. Hello, I have things to donate. Yes. Ooh! What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Money and sugar. Sugar, always nice. And spring lamp. Cute. Nature can be inconvenient, but it sure is nice when rain waters my garden in one go. You can relate, right, Orin? Yep. Yep. A good merchant looks at the world a good merchant looks at the world as a series of opportunities. That's good advice for a farmer too, Orin. Hello there, sir. Here to take a look around the museum, Orin? Go right ahead. Oh, and be sure to point out any leaks if you come across them. I thought we had them all, but... Nice. Oh wait, there's a child here too. Hello. Mom said I'll catch a cold if I... Mom said I'll catch a cold if I play outside. But outside is where the adventures are. Goodbye, child. Goodbye, people. Okay. I want to give this to a certain somebody if I can find... over here. Hey! I got you a thing. 3 hearts. I guess I'm the only person in town who'd probably appreciate a perfect ore. But thanks, Orin. This is really nice. Ulrich gave me a rock yesterday, said I deserved it. When I asked why, he just gave me a thumbs up. There's a rock guppy at the museum. What are you doing? I'm impressed. Most folks can't tell the difference between a rock guppy and the regular kind. I don't know why I gave her that kind of voice, but... Okay, let's see. So I need 4 more. But I want to make the ingot anyway. I want to make the ingots. Oh, I did also unlock the mill from the last time I played. Let's see, I want to see what all I need. No, I got all copper things. Okay. So all the rest of the copper stuff I make is just a bonus. Also, I realized I don't need to make a copper bug net. Because you can see in the description, a bug catching net with a copper handle. The only change is the aesthetic. So it literally doesn't change anything if I get the copper bug net. So I've basically fully upgraded my tool set. Excuse me. The only thing I really need to do now is upgrade the lower mines so that I can get the other upgrades. Wait, can I give this to her? Hey. No, I can't gift it. Okay, never mind. We still got plenty of time in the day. Alright. Going down to... 5 now? I don't know where the, rock guppy is supposed to be. Oh wait, I just remembered. Oh, that's neat. So if I get overwhelmed, I can just do that. Like I said, there's a guy behind me and in front of me. Auto mining is so much faster than doing the charge mine. Because a lot of these rocks I can just hit once and it's good to go. At least when I do the auto thing. Also, I realize you can stack up quite a lot of stuff because... Ooh, wait, we got a pond here. We got a pond here. Hey, stop it. Gotcha. Okay. I don't see any fish there. Also, I love that I can just hit these guys back and it's just an insta-kill. Very satisfying. Very satisfying. Okay. Over here... I have 75... Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh. Mine's crate chair. Oh, that's gonna look nice. Okay. Great. I need this. Okay, that only gave me 18. That's fine. I want to see if there's anything that is gonna spawn? I probably should look up if there's any way that I could lure fish in. If there's none in the water. Or if it's just up to chance. Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that? I don't really need this. Miner's rucksack. I could use that to expand my inventory if I really wanted to, but game won't let me. Game will not let me. Alright, where's the exit? I'm gonna go down here and get more copper. Figuring out how to expand. How to optimize. Become efficient. I know these games are kind of meant to be taken at your own pace, but that's not how I play sometimes. Sometimes I just want to go, go, go. Come on, let me down. Let me down. I want to go down at least one more level before I head back up. Okay. This one has quite a bit of copper, actually. Hey. Yeah, boy. Alright, one more grape juice. We got a few more minutes left. Want to get all this copper at least. Alright. I still don't see any place to fish. Alright, so all we have left is fishing. I also really need to get into cooking more. Let's see, is there... Right. There are some things that I can donate. And by some things, I mean one thing. Yay! It's getting rather late. I'm gonna make it home. The "it's getting rather late" notification is actually really helpful. Cause I'll just be going around and then I see that little notification and I'm like, oh no! Oh no, I'm not gonna have enough time. But I always have enough time because they designed that so that it perfectly times so that no matter where you are on the map, you're able to get home in time. Alright, I want to sell that. Let's see. I guess that's about everything I can sell. You know what, I'll sell some stone too. I got plenty of it. I just want to make some money. Let's see. Yeah, we'll sell about 50 and then put the rest away. Okay, so tomorrow I will show off all I've done so far. Let me put these away first. Did I put this in here? I don't think I have sugar, actually. There. And this monster stuff chest. No, this. No, this is my monster stuff chest. I guess it could be my mines chest by this point. Alright. Now I have an extra little chair. These are the changes I made to my little abode. So I have made the wallpaper and the floor match the rustic cabin look. And I also added the shelf up there. I changed the window here and moved it. I also changed the table and the chair. And I'm just making it a cozy little rustic cabin. I might buy the cozy cottage thing at some point, just so I can mix and match the looks of them. I don't know if it's gonna be rain. I think the weather ball said that it's gonna be sunny today. Yeah, it sounds like it's sunny. Yeah, it's gonna be sunny tomorrow too. Hello, little cat. Hello, Betty. Oh yeah, I also got a new hat. I got a boulder hat. One of the boulder things. I've basically gotten all the enemies aside from the copper one as a hat. Big sweet root. Ooh. Let me do a learning. I need a potato and a sweet root. That would be useful if I... Okay, now that just does that. Can I get the cucumbers yet? Nope. Dang it, I didn't mean to do that. Still works. I've also separated my garden a bit. So I've made these sections intentionally 3x3 so that my watering can get to them pretty easily. Yes, you can. Oh right, because that one's still watered, right? I was wondering why it wasn't latching onto that one. Alright. Ooh, that's actually pretty helpful. Oh, right. Where? No, I know. I should be able to just put it here. No, that's corn. What am I doing? I need the seed. There we go. There we go. Now we need to finish watering the tomatoes. Any little bit of crop is always welcome. Nice. Okay. So we got cucumbers here, watermelon, peppers, tomatoes, and corn. And then over here, I have all my seasonal chests. And this random chest that I think I'm gonna be putting mines, like fish and stuff in. This one's kind of like my food and ingredient stuff. This one is kind of my miscellaneous extra stuff. This one's my monster stuff, or monster stuff / mines, I guess. This one is my crafting stuff. I also need to water these flowers. But yeah, I enclosed this little area and put my crafting bench here, because I thought it'd be a neat little thing. Because I do remember reading that you can put fences around an area and weeds won't grow, but apparently, as you can see, that is false. They'll just grow wherever they want. We need to... Oh wait, no, I forgot to say hi to Dragon yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't talk to you yesterday. You have seen griffin statues around Mystria? They are noble guardians and protectors. I fondly remember sharing the skies with them. Griffins are real! Alright, what can I get? Nice swing. Wood crafting. Crafting an item occasionally results in a bonus quality infusion, which grants it a 10% higher selling price. I think I'll go with that one. I still got 35 left. I got everything in cooking, fishing, sometimes refund the stamina. I think I do that one. Probably should get more in ranching before I get the animals, but it's 1,000 gold each, and I I am a spender. Once I have money, I spend money. Okay. These watermelons should hopefully grow by the end of the season. It does take 9 days for them to grow, so I'm trying to keep that in mind. But I think I can just sell the rest of those. You know what? I'm gonna keep the tomatoes. So another thing I did was make sure that these seasonal ones are not included in the crafting. So these are just for the purpose of basically kind of collecting them, and if one of the townsfolk wants something that's like out of season, I can just go and grab it from here. And also I have a specific place for the seasonal seeds. So when it comes to the season and I have seeds in here, I can just go ahead and grab them. Like with these the fall broccoli. So like we got my spring chest, summer chest, fall chest, and winter chest. And I've kind of coded them, so like the pink is where the cherry blossom trees fall, or the cherry blossom trees become pink. Yellow because it's always sunny. Brown because the autumn leaves. And light blue because that's kind of one of the colors I associate with winter. Okay, we can put this in the house somewhere. Where can I put it, though? I can't put it anywhere else except for... No, I'll put it here. Here we go. And now it's turned on. Right by the fire. Which is kind of redundant now that I think about it, because the fire can also provide light. Oh well. Oh yeah, I got a chicken coop. I realized that you kind of need them to roam around. So I'm likely gonna get rid of this fencing at some point. But for now, I don't really have the space to move the fencing. I also upgraded the well to an actual proper well instead of a well-worn well. But I did not mean to do that. Oh yeah, I did also get, 2 lanterns on one of my expeditions. So I just kind of put them at, the edges of my farming area. Okay, today is Thursday. There's not much going on. I'm kind of wanting to save up by this point for the next season, because the tomatoes and the corn will just continuously grow, and the watermelon will take too long to grow before the season ends. So let's see what we got. I could grow more flowers. Flowers are kind of inexpensive. Yeah, that's okay. The captions did it right. Let's see. What do we got? Nothing I really want to use. Okay. Can't recommend lunch at the inn enough. The quality of the price can't be beat. Okay, I can make jam. I can make plenty of jam. Wait, I need wheat in order to make bread, that's right. Okay. Whee! Hello! Island's been playing his upcoming... Island's been playing down his upcoming birthday, but he can't fool me. He loves any excuse to eat desserts. I'm sure he'd love something sweet from you, too. Well, I do still have that, strawberry shortcake that I got as a reward. Maybe I could give that to him for his birthday. Hello. Baylor. He's an odd one. Not a big hugger, but if you can believe it. Guess it takes all kinds of folk. I have no idea what he meant by that. Hi Dozy! Hi Dozy. Dozy is glad to see you. Cute. I still have like 4 free bathhouse visits, which I have not used at all. One second, I'm gonna pause while I take care of this real quick. My nose is very runny today. Finished up my coffee. Okay. What can I do? Right, I got the ranger shoes. So I need to meet Adeline. I have so many things that I need to... Okay, this one I think I can do. This one I can definitely do, so I could just knock those out together. I need to get a caterpillar. There are quite a few things that I need to fish for, actually. But I can make the shopping bin. I need the shopping bin, and then I also need the... What is it? I need a shopping bin and stone. Do I have stone? No, I don't. Okay. Shopping bin and stone. I just on this one. I have 582 stone. My thing keeps doing that lately. Uh-oh. Okay, audio is completely gone suddenly. I need to troubleshoot something really quick. In case my game breaks when I do this, because I don't know what's going on, but like that happened last night, where my game drive just like disconnected for like a split second and then reconnected, and because this game is on that drive, I'm afraid that it's gonna mess something up eventually. So I'm gonna like double check and make sure that everything is plugged in properly. So I'm gonna be right back. Not really be right back, I'm just gonna be like a few feet away. Move you so I can reach. What are you doing here? Look. You have no reason to be disconnecting. Why are you doing this to me? Everything's good. Everything's good. I just don't know why it's doing that. Well, I'm kind of afraid that my drive might be faulty in some way. But I mean, everything is still running fine, it's just I don't want that to happen at an inconvenient time. What do you need? Right, I need to make the shopping bin. And what do I need for that? I need 100 wood? Okay. Well, up here we go. Okay. It did it again. Oh, the game just completely crashed. Oh. Oh, maybe I should have reset it when... I probably should have reset it when it disconnected to begin with. Uh-oh. Because I do have a problem. If I need to send this thing back to get a replacement, I don't really have a place to put the files. Let's see. Okay, so I need to go... Uh-oh. That scares me. Alright. Well, we'll just carry on, I guess. If it happens again, I might have to take this game in increments. Or at least move it to a different drive, because I don't want to have to deal with this game getting corrupted in some way, because the drive just keeps disconnecting. Uh-oh. Also, yes, I'm intentionally going out to to chop down the trees out here because they replenish every day. I've already tested it like 3 times. The trees grow back basically exactly how they were before. So it ain't gonna be much of a problem if I chop these down. Except for this one. This one, for some reason, sometimes grows back as like a tinier one. Let's see. I also need to keep an eye out for a caterpillar. I think that's a grasshopper right there, because we saw it jumping earlier. Right. I want to start planning out what I want to do with my farm, but right now I can't really afford to do much, because I can only gather so many materials. Okay, how many... Ooh, I also got a big load. Okay, got 55. I got 55 wood. Let's see. Yeah, I was playing yesterday, and I try and say good morning or something to the dragon statue every day. So we're talking to like the dragon, and it's just so it's honestly my favorite interaction so far. Just saying hi to the dragon statue every day, because it's just so wholesome. It's like I mentioned it in Pink server, but it's just like it's like talking to an old friend every day. And it's so nice and pleasant. And there was one point where it was a raining day. Ah, dang it. Okay. Well, I guess that's enough. But it was a raining day, as like one of my last interactions last night. And so I said good morning to the dragon, and the statue, I don't know what his name is, but the dragon was just like, stay with me for a moment. And it just and we just stood there for a moment, and it was just nice to take the rain in. And it was just wanted to make me cry. It's so cute. Oh, right, I can't do that because reasons. But honestly, the dragon is so far my absolute favorite interaction. Just saying hi every morning and then seeing what he says, and he's just so encouraging too. I'm a sucker for wholesome stuff. Oh boy, I got wood back. It's this one. I'm an absolute sucker for wholesome stuff. Okay, and then these go in here? Yeah. This, I don't know. I don't have one of those. Okay. Okay, so we got 2 things to deliver. We gotta deliver them to the brothers. Where is that guy? Where is that guy? Oh, they're at... That's a... I didn't know people go there. Okay, so... But the brother... I think the brother's right there. Is that the brother? Is that big bro? I don't know if he's big bro or little bro, honestly. I don't know what their... I don't know what their age is in consideration to each other. Coconuts? Where do I get coconuts? There you are. Whoa, Orin, this stone is really cool. Not everyone has an eye for it, you know. Here, I found this cool chair in the mines one time. I'd like you to have it in return. Sweet, I got a second mines chair. Okay. Let me see if he's still... Okay, it seems like they're having a nice little visit. So, I'm gonna go this way. Nope, I'm gonna go this way. Down and around. Instead of up and around, because otherwise it's just gonna be more... It's gonna be more traveling. And then tomorrow is the inn. Which I have also continued the story enough so that it's kind of become different groups each week now. And I love that. The inn interactions is one of my favorites. Hey, I got something for you. I got you a shopping bin. Thanks for the shopping bin. It's been a pain when deliveries start piling up around the shop. This'll help. Yeah, money! Money! Hello there. I took a look at that work order for Adeline. I think a day to get it done, maybe 2 at most. Sounds right to me. You're getting good at making these estimates, Aiden. Henrietta wags her tail feathers energetically. Goodbye, Henrietta. I could afford a chicken right now, but I do want to get 2 of them at once, so they don't get lonely. I don't want them to get lonely. I could reuse the fencing over here to expand the farm? Possibly? That's a possibility. Alright, I got the crate chair. Is this the same one that I have? Right, I can't do that because I don't have any energy. Hi, Betty. Hi, Betty. You're so cute. You're so cute. I'm gonna take you with me. What if I just take Biddy with me the entire day? Oh, wait, no. Can I jump with Biddy? Yeah, I can. Hey, I got a cat. Oh. Hey, I got a cat. Let me show you my cat. I got a cat. Look at my cat. I wanna do that tomorrow, see what he says. Or if there's any special interaction. Oh wait, no. Oh shoot. Okay. I had 20 minutes left to sleep. Which is only really about a few seconds. Nice. Ah! I thought I was gonna get more money. Friday night at the inn. 1 more week left of summer. Hello, Betty. I'm gonna take you with me. I'm taking you with me. Hey! Hey! I got a cat! Ulrich seems like a trustworthy fellow. Be sure you are worthy of that trust, Orin. You don't want to say anything about my cat? Okay. Understandable. I don't know if you're the type of deity that fears cats, likes cats, or is neutral to them. Grilled corn, spicy water chestnuts. I want to see the grilled corn recipe. Learning. We doing a learning. Oh, it's just corn. Nice. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Let's see. Are these weeds? No, they're corn. They're new corn growing. Are these? No. Oh, I can harvest these. Excellent, excellent. Most excellent. A watermelon seed. I could use that for next summer because there's only 7 days left. And these things take 9 days to grow. So I don't have time. I'll go see if there's more cucumbers that I could grow. I'm being more smart about this season. I'm being more smart. I'm using my smarticles. Alright, put that in there. We got all the cucumbers we need. So I think I'm gonna put... Nope. I'm gonna put these in here so we have 4 of them. 4 of them, yep. I'm gonna keep the corn so I can make some food out of them. I think it's time to do some weeding. Today might be some maintenance. We'll do this a maintenance day. Because we also gotta keep an eye on the time. So we can do the inn. It's a satisfying noise when you're just able to chop the... Okay, it froze for a second. That made me scared. It froze for a second. I'm gonna go and save again. And this wasn't a cheap drive, too. This was like a $200 drive. It's 2 terabytes. This should not be doing this. This scares me. No, get out of here, bots. Okay. Let's go see what all we can get. So it's 7 days. Oh, wait, I forgot. I gotta water my flowers. Not like it really matters. You know what? I probably should just harvest these. Alright, let's see what all... No, that's spring. Doot. And we got those, okay. So I could give these away as gifts. If I really wanted to. But I think I'm just gonna sell them. Ma's vacuuming. I'll put these away. Right, I still need to see... Hi, Betty. Perfect. Tomorrow will be sunny. Okay. And then I could just go ahead and sell that. I made that chair, I can sell it if I want. Alright, let's see what all we can do today. Actually, today might be a foraging day. Hello! Mystery is riddled with ley lines of power. If I can map them all, I can harness them for... Well, don't worry your pretty little head about that. Which we got today? Nothing. Ooh, rose. I've not seen any roses yet. I love the smell of flowers in the height of summer. Hello, bug. There's a bug. Pomegranate juice. I've not seen any pomegranates either. Alright, let's see. Cucumbers, they take 4 days. These take 6 days. These take 5 days. 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. That'll be good. It's summer, that means everyone breaks out their super cute swimsuits. I haven't seen anybody in a swimsuit, but I like seeing people's outfits change during the different seasons. It's adorable. Alright, what all... Okay, cheese, coconut, pomegranate juice, feathers, seaweed... There's so many things, actually. I should probably stop taking these requests because I'm getting overwhelmed. I don't know where to start. Alright, cucumbers. Cucumbers go down over here. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Very satisfying. And then, if I ever get extra seeds, I could just plant them over here. This can be like the overflow kind of thing. Although by this point, I might just save the seeds for the next season. Look at that, thank you. Right, you ain't gonna let me do that because the rest of it is already watered. Nice! We got a decent little garden now. It's cute. You know what? I think I am going to get rid of these fences here. Or at least these ones. So I can expand the... Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these fences just so I can expand the garden. Not the garden, the, I guess the fields. The planter fields. Also, I have no idea if there's any way to move the buildings, so I feel like at this point, I'm just gonna have to work around the coop if I want to, move it. Rename building. I can rename that building if I wanted to. Good to know. Okay. Actually, now that I think about it, I didn't really need that many... I didn't need that many fences. I just needed, like, what would it be? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna expand it by, like, 1 here. Or, like, one bit of plot, I mean. Because I don't know why, I like having the, I like having them 4 by 3. For now, at least. So we're gonna do some... Oh wait, I could do this. Just do a bit of this. Plus, if I make them 4 by 3, that gives, like, 1 extra room than if I did it 3 by 3. And as you can see, I can still do the 3 by 3 like this. Or not 3 by 3, like the 4 by 3 like this. So I can just do, like, 4 charge things. And then I need to till... Where is my... Where did I put that? There it is. A little bit of that. A little bit of this. Just so we can get those ready for any new plots we may want. I'm now not fully using all the space, but it is nice to have the option of expansion. Instead of having to... Sorry, my train of thought just derailed. It is nice to have this option open in case I do need to expand eventually. Why is this... Oh, because I'm tired, that's why. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, wait. It's time for the... In. It's in time. It's in time. In time. Let's see what kind of shenanigans happen this time. Okay, so as a recap, I'm gonna pause so that... You know what, it doesn't really matter. But these guys are having a new session of, Dragons of Drama. So now, Bale is, the Dungeon Master, and everybody else is, the players. They're doing a drawing club. These guys here. And the person who stands here, I'm guessing, is the model, every Friday. I don't know. I think these guys are just drinking. Yeah, I think this is just the drinking and talking group. I think he's usually a part of the conversation now. I think everybody else is just kind of wandering around. I forget, the two up there are just kind of talking about theoretical stuff. So like last week they were talking about like, oh yeah, who would survive on an island the best? On a remote island the best? Let's see what they have to say. Hi there, Orin. Help me answer Juniper's strange question. If a perfectly normal it's a perfectly normal thing to wonder about. Who in Mystia would make the best frog? March would run through all his energy trying to jump higher than the other frogs. Landon would croak up a storm and drive the rest off. What about Reyes? He seems to be the type to be content with the simple life. He's a city boy, Juniper. No frogs in the city. Surely you've got some thoughts, Orin. Who do you think would make the best frog? We'll just go with that accent for her. The bathhouse is like her pond. Ulrich, he loves sitting on rocks. Yeah, I gotta go with this one, because I did also just do a quest. About giving him a rock. Oh, yes, it seems so obvious when you put it like that. It really fits, doesn't it? But I've got our real answer. It's Errol. Have you seen that man's legs in a bathing suit? I haven't seen enough wine for this. I haven't had enough wine for this conversation. These are my favorite bits of each week. Your ragtag group has traveled through 3 floors up the Blood Tower, inexplicitly brief, befriending every monster along the way. In fact, I don't think you've fought anyone. It's because we're on a journey of knowledge.
No, it's because I like making friends with all the cool monsters. They told me I'm half elf, half dragon, half knight, and secretly half unicorn.
You're quarter everything then, Del. You might be the most magical creature of them all, Brightclaw. But your ma's an elf, so was your pa some kind of dragon unicorn knight? Fascinating question. I'll roll for scholarly insight and draconic knowledge. Oh, rats, a 3. Well, let's inquire with Brightclaw's mother, Grimblade. I suppose I can ask. Holt, are you a dragon unicorn knight? Whatever you say, honey. I love that he inquires from across the bar, too. That's adorable. I love all the families in this game. They're so cute. I'm model this week. You might be wondering how I hold this pose for so long. Between you and me, my back seized up 10 minutes ago and now I'm stuck like this. I heard that, and I'll take a look when we're done here. But for now, why don't we peek at everyone's drawings? I like Landon's. You can see there's carpenter's hand in it. Is it all those years of technical drawing, Landon? You got me, lady. In case you're wondering, a clean line is all in the shoulder, which I can see you've taken to heart. March. Big improvement. Thanks. I mean, it's only natural, right? And speaking of natural, Valen, your drawings are something else. Oh, thank you, March. I was just thinking about Elise's portraits are so striking. She really draws out the charm points on her subject. Are my pecs really that big? Did you do some drawing from down on the farm, big guy? The baby animals in your sketchbook are way cute. I wanted a memento from when they're tiny. These drawings are nothing special. Not as special as I'd like. Now, can someone get some ice for my back? Oh, it also builds friendship by talking to these people. Nice. So it's a nice quick way to be able to talk to everybody at once, which I love about the group conversations. All right, what you got?
Tomorrow's the Saturday market. Maybe I'll see Lady Adeline around.
Welcome to the Sleepy Dragon, Orin. Make yourself at home. Hello, little child.
Wish Dad would take us to the woods sometime. I bet I could find a beehive there.
What are you all talking about? Thanks for bringing all that mint by earlier this week, Celine. Brain, cooked it down, got a nice syrup out of it. So we've got something special today. Oh, right, they're trying new drinks. That's what their thing is for this series or this season. I guess it'd be, because a lot of these I've kind of noticed that a lot of these interactions happen like within the span of a season if you keep up with them right. And another fun thing, if you miss a week, it will still carry over. Like you won't skip anything. You won't miss out on anything. It'll just continue from where the last time you interacted was. And I really love that because I accidentally skipped a week and I felt very bad about it until I was already in the bait. And I'm like, no, I missed all the Friday gossip.
I'm overrun with mint this year. Hayden called it a bumper crop. I bought more, take it. I brought more, take it.
Nice, since I can pretty up drinks with the fresh stuff, and there we are, mint gimlets all around. Give them a go.
Oh, it's so cute and green, and it tastes so minty and herby. And fresh and limey.
Hemlock used to mix me one of these after a long hot day in the mines. Oh, happy days. No matter the time of year, this is the taste of summer. It's so refreshing. This drink and I were meant to be together. Thanks to Celine, I've got it bottled up behind the counter now, so come back for the taste of summer anytime. You too, Orin. Oh yeah! Another thing is, every week I'm gonna be able to get a drink from this interaction too. Let's see, is there anybody... I think I haven't talked to her yet, yeah. Look how late it is. Time sure does fly these days. Let's see, I think I've talked to everyone, just going around, double checking. Also seeing if there's any quests I can turn in. Think about cheese. Let's see. Oh yeah, each person... Okay, it seems like each person in the art club is gonna be a model, because last week it was the Doc's turn to be a model. And this week it's the farmer. The other farmer. The original farmer. I guess he'd be considered more of a rancher, really. I'm the farmer, he's more of the rancher. Which I like. I provide crops, he provides livestock. Sweet, okay, everything's watered. I don't have anything in my inventory. Did I get... Okay, I need to finish that up tomorrow. But I think this is a good point to go to sleep. Game is freezing a little bit. Okay. Alright, see more of that. I'll keep the mint goblet. I'm also keeping an eye on the time. Okay, yeah. That's where all the food is. Floor lamp. Right, I want to put this back down. Since I've expanded the fields. I'm kinda wondering what to put in this area. But I'm kinda keeping it open for now in case I figure out what I want to do. Let's see. So I still got 36. No, I don't have just 36. I have 61 fence that I could deal with. What can I do. Yeah, well. Go to sleep. It is time to sleep. We go to bed. We go to bed by. It is beddy by time. We got 300 exactly. I could get a lot more crops, but... you know what? We'll see. Ah, it's so close. It's so close. Oh, it's Adeline's birthday. Ooh, wait, I still got the strawberry shortcake. I can give it to him. Yeah. Hey, hi, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. I don't know if there's any way that they can tell the difference between, Wait, right. I gotta remember that this is, strawberry shortcake. Or, I could give him a jam sandwich. Which I might do, actually. No. I'll give him the strawberry shortcake. Because why not? Game is starting to stutter. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But the game is starting to stutter suddenly. Corn time. Tomato time. Not quite watermelon time. Not quite watermelon time. Gotta get our watering in before we can do anything else. That is the whatchamacallit? The work of a farmer. Okay, I got some more peppers. Pepper seeds. It is nice and relaxing being able to do all this. Okay, so we got more pepper seeds. I'm gonna start keeping... Okay, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll sell the rest of the tomatoes. I got that for... birthday boy. Good morning! Good morning, good morning! It seems this Terithia and I have much in common. I would like to talk to her one day about the delicious fish off the coast of Mystria. Oh, you mean, the fisher lady. Ooh, brassy. Okay. I am starting to get nervous about this thing stuttering. Because it was also doing that last night. And I feel like this shouldn't be stuttering the way it is, especially with my computer and... everything else. So I'm kind of worried. A little concerning. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in here. Just get that little bit of extra money. Wait, there's a birdhouse. I don't know if I can get feathers off of it or if it's just purely decoration. I think it is just purely decoration. But oh well. I'm fine with that. Alright. Saturday market. Whose birthday is it again? Yeah, it's this guy's. Wait, what is it? Town leader... And then he's just the archaeologist. Right, because he's not the heir. So close. Request for tea. I want to find tea, but I can't buy it for some reason. Is there any place I can... Oh wait, are you... Eastern Road frequently turns up valuable historical and archaeological finds. People have been using that road for hundreds of years, maybe longer. Ooh. give you? A birthday gift? You have a wonderful memory for custom. Thank you, Oren. Did he not? Okay, I think it didn't count. I don't know if it would count as a... Oh, it is a loved gift. Nice. I like my hair short, so I come to Vera as often as I can. Still nothing I can really... I have no hair, so I can't really just buy any hairstyle I want. Glad Darcy's here. I'm just steps away from a cool drink. I love Darcy's jasmine tea. It always puts me in the mood for romance. Gossip time. I think you're going to like this one, Oren. Let's see. Go with her. Oh, she likes Cosmos. I think I got a Cosmos. I'll do that later. I say as there's many things that I want to give people, but I say I'll do that later. Oren, look, Darcy threw Dozy in the foam of my latte. So cute. It's too cute to drink. Aww. Hey. Velen asked me to make medical instruments. An order for anything but nails makes my day. I guess nails would be very tedious to make. In the capital, I use the design much more ceremonial clothing. It's wonderful to design things now that are meant to be worn on a busy day outdoors. So much freedom. You still have... No, you don't have the maid thing today. Let's see. Not really anything I'd go for. Because I kind of want my... I kind of want my character to just, like, wear overalls all the time, but it depends on the season what type of overalls they wear. So, like, in the spring, I want my character to wear, like, the shorts overalls, and then in the summer, it's the dress overalls, although I kind of want to swap them, to be honest. So, like, the shorts are in the summer, and then the skirt is in the spring, and this is the fall, and then like the regular overalls are for the fall, and then the farmer's overalls are for the winter because it's got that bandana and also the gloves. Just a fun little thing. What you got? I've got just what you need to spruce up your home, Oren. How do you know my name? I guess I shouldn't really question, because everybody knows my name, apparently. Bathroom wall mirror, lovely cottage counter, cabin counter. Yeah, I'll get that. Bathroom bench, cake counter, cobweb lift, melted candle, haunted attic dress form, cake counter, bakery cutting board. Yeah, I think that's about the only one I'll get. Let me do a learning. Yes. What is that? I guess I'll have to see. Okay. That's about all I wanted to see for the stuff. And I could get more cucumbers. Okay, so we have 8 days left of... Okay, so I could get more of these. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and... Yeah. Perfect. I'm gonna get so much money. I'm gonna get so much money. Also, I love that... I just noticed that they put up this little banner anytime there's the Saturday market. Also, it's starting to stutter again, so I'm gonna go save. I know the game auto-saves, but I also just went and did all that, and... I don't really want to have to redo things. Alright, might as well just fill this in. These are the cucumbers. The cucumbers. And now we do the peppers. Ah, right. I got an extra seed. That's right. Right. Alright, so the plot... You know what, no, it doesn't really matter. This is all gonna be peppers. Watering can. Excellent. We're gonna have so much stuff. Yeah, one second. I know it's... Let's try. Nope. Also, I love how I set this up so that there's spaces in between these, because it means if I am missing only one, it won't accidentally water a plot that does not need to be watered. I like how I have my farm set up. Let's see, I have 3 by 4. That is actually kind of satisfying. So the way I have this set up, it kind of makes a perfect square, in a sense, because, wait, 3, you know what, I wanna do some math. Let's do some math here real quick. Where's my calculator? I wanna do some math real quick, just so I can see if it is a perfect square, because of how I have it set up. Come on. Okay, so each of the plots are... What is it? Each of the plots are 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. Actually, wait. So 4, and there's 3 at the top, plus 2. Okay, so that's 14, and then it's 4, there's 3 at the top, and then 3 times 4 plus 3. It's almost a perfect square. It is, one... What is it? It's a single... It's a single tile longer this way. So it's almost a perfect square. Still satisfying, though. Okay, what do I want to do now? I guess I could make this a forage day. Is tomorrow gonna be a rainy day? No, tomorrow's sunny. So I guess today could be a forage day. Foraging. Put this away. I'll put this here. And we'll go foraging. I like going across the water. I could also chop down some trees, but I kind of don't want to do that because that does take quite a bit of time. Fishy, fishy, fish, fish, fish. Give me that, thank you. Give me that, thank you. I don't know why, but I just love that you use the cattail fluff as, whatchamacallit. You use the cattail fluff as a replacement for cotton. It's a nice little thing. And cattails do get very fluffy if you break them apart. Gimme pear. Gimme pear. Oh, what? Cleast! I knew you were streaming earlier. Welcome everybody. Cleast raid. Thank you for the raid, Cleast. Okay, I gotta fix that double thing, but let me give you a shout out, Cleast. Let me see.
Water and water and water, water, water and water and water, water, water and water and water, water, water and water and water, water.
That's what I'm saying. Mario fail. Let me give you a shout out, Cleast. Let's see, that should do it. Yeah, there we go. Shout out. Welcome, everybody. I'm gonna wait for the ad to go away before I really say too much. Let's see. Who all's in here? We got Phoebe, we got Clayst, we got Marble Tom. Welcome, everybody. Stupid ad. Okay, ad done. But yeah, we got Phoebe, we got Clayst, and we got Marble Tom. Welcome, everybody. Let me see. There's so much on my screen right now. It's not letting me go up too much. And I feel like that's the biggest thing. I want to see who all's here. Welcome, everybody. Today I'm just doing foraging, but oh wait, no, this is a good opportunity to show you guys what all I've done with my... Ooh, 2 sapphires, nice. But this is a good opportunity for me to show you guys what I've done with my farm once I'm done doing some foraging today. But I will say, I don't know if you can see it, but my game is stuttering. And I think that's because my drive has been having issues suddenly, where it's disconnecting and stuff like that. And I don't know why it's doing that. We love some foraging. Yeah. It's nice walking around and seeing everything. Let's see. Okay, nothing up here. But yeah, once I'm done doing a little lap around, I'll give a quick tour of the farm. Because I've done some things to it. I did actually just do some expanding a little bit of the plots and stuff. It is also the market today. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. You're honestly been on a grind? Yeah! It's been a long day, but at least it's honest work, eh? Hello? Hello? Alright, we're going back to the farm. Going back to the farm so I can show you guys what's going on. Okay, so, I'm pretty sure y'all have been with Cleese this whole time. I don't know if you've been coming in or not, but this is what I've done to the shrine. I moved the carpentry or the crafting table over here and enclosed this a bit more nicely and a bit more evenly. I feel like this is one over what it should be. This is not completely... Huh. It does not feel symmetrical. Never mind. No, yeah, that's right. Okay, never mind. But I added some chests here for seasonal stuff specifically. Calderon's trapped. I thought that I swear when I first brought up the tutorials and stuff, and it said like with the fencing that if you enclose them, then it's gonna keep the weeds out. That is apparently not true. So I am actually gonna make a little entrance here. Because screw that, it's not keeping the weeds out. But yeah, my plots, however, are trapped. I did also just do a calculation where I thought this was a perfect square. It is not. It is unfortunately one path wider this like up and down than it is left and right. But this is the farm so far. I just expanded it so there's one more, I guess, column of plots. I got everything pretty organized. I did also plant some new peppers and cucumbers today. You made your thing just like mine? Yeah, I like having the, I don't know why, I just like having it be 4x3 instead of just like a perfect square. It's just more satisfying to me for some reason. But yeah, I kind of briefly went over it, but I have these 4 chests here, specifically for seasonal stuff, including the seeds, and I did make it so that these will not be included in crafting recipes, so I don't accidentally use them up if I'm making something. I did 3x3 because the level 3 can make it so useful. It's 3x3. Oh wait, is that the one that does like a cube kind of thing? I guess it would still work if I did that, because if it does like the 3x3, then I could still get this area, and then if I did it in the middle, it would get these 2 plots here and still have the 3x3 in this spot. I guess it'd still work. Okay. But yeah, as I was saying, I now have seasonal chests that are not included in the crafting. So this is my spring chest, this is my summer chest, and this is my fall chest. I put the seeds in here, so when it changes over to the next season, I can just, like, go into this chest, grab the seeds, and then immediately plant them. Then I unlocked an upgrade, so I needed to do a 5x5, so it makes me need to redo the whole thing. Yeah, I'm likely gonna have to do that when I get there. But for now, this is gonna work. I might do, if I get up to the 5x5, I will likely, I'm gonna keep that. If I get up to the 5x5, I will likely just change everything when the change of season happens. Let's see, do I have... No, I don't have 3 in there. I'm gonna keep both of those sapphires and put those in there. Excellent. I have everything organized. At least as much as I can. Okay. Ooh, shoot! I just realized there's one! Hi, Biddy. Thank you for the basil. Okay, I'm keeping a close eye on the time now. Your chests are in such a better spot than mine. How'd you move them again anyways? Okay, so a lot of them, I basically only ever moved one. And, that's mainly so that I could make that 3 stack that you saw beside my house. Like, you can see it, off to the side there. I only had to move one, and I had to move it, like, 1 space forward in order for me to put, like, those 3 there. And I did have to break it and just basically rearrange everything and move them where I wanted to. So I had to manually move everything. So I just, like, filled up my inventory, dumped it into the chest, and then just, like, pressed the button to organize them. Which, by the way, I am so very happy they added that. Or they incorporated that, where you just press a button and everything's organized. My only issue is, if I organize my inventory, then all my tools will not be where I want them to be.
Hi, Biddy. Hi, Biddy. Pet, pet, pet.
Tomato time. And corn time. And pepper time. And watermelons. We got all the things. But yeah, I have not figured out a way that you can just move your chests with everything in them, which is very unfortunate. I wish there was some way that you could just move them, but I have yet to figure that out. Maybe if I look it up somewhere. I don't know if they even have that as a feature. We water in, it's watering time. And I think today, once I am done watering and putting everything where it should be, I think I am gonna go to the mines, at least to try and find that fish we need. I don't know where the stone loach is the problem. I know it's likely in the mines, but I do need it in order to progress the story. And I really want to get that seal. Nice. Hello! Good morning, good morning, good morning! You would like to give me a gift? While I appreciate the thought, my current form has no need for material things. Okay, I have 83. Okay. You know what, I'll do that. Why not? I got 33 left. I really need to get that leash blacksmithing. I need to upgrade so many things. So many things. Oh wait, I also need to finish tilling this, because I keep forgetting to do that. But yeah, in terms of, chests and stuff, I only had to move one, and then I just kind of organized as I went along, because I think I I will have to move these eventually. Unless I could... No, wait, no. I wouldn't have to move these. I just make these into rows. So I could put chests here and just walk along them sideways instead of vertically. Bump. Bump. Okay. It is Rockloach time. After I see what's here. Oh, right. Orin, I'm sure by now you've seen the Mystria is full of ancient places with many more still left to discover. If you're interested, meet me at the manor house and I can show you a particularly interesting site on the grounds. Right, because I just got 2 hearts with him. Okay. I want to keep the corn. And I have enough tomatoes. I've not really been doing that too much. How many watermelon do I have? I would like 1 more. Okay. I don't know why I opened that. Okay, put more corn in there. I want to cook some corn to take to the mines. Alright, quick thing. And of course it takes no time at all. Thank you very much. Cooking. Once you unlock the one recipe that you can get a lot of materials for, leveling up the cooking becomes so much faster. Okay. And I think I'm just gonna keep the hoe in my inventory. I know it's gonna take up a spot, but I just really want to get that, whatchamacallit. I just really want to get that fish. The Rockloach. Did I get... Yeah, I did. Right. As for eggs, I don't have eggs yet. I'm gonna stop taking these. Because I'm already stockpiled on those enough. Alright. So I got 1,000 right now. I'm gonna still try and save up for the next season. Because if I can save up for the next season, that would be most ideal. Alright. So I got 6 corn. I got plenty to take me through the mines. Hi, how you doing? Wish I had time to make more showpieces, but Adeline keeps me so busy making nails and joints. Alright. Okay. I have no idea... Start at 10. Okay. Ooh, hello. I think just for funsies, I think just for fun, once I get enough, silver, or was it? I think it was silver. If I get enough silver ingots to make a new weapon, I think I am just gonna make a sword. Just so I can, tear through monsters like no tomorrow. I think that'd be fun. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Yes! Perfect. Okay, I gotta make sure there's no monsters that will interrupt me. Dang it. Okay, I didn't time that right. Hey! Alright, give me that. I need to be careful about where I go. And I can't really just go hop into the water or else I'll scare the fish away. Hey! Look at my lure! Did I get it? No, I got a rock guppy. Dang it! Hey! Keeping a close eye on that. No! Where do I get the rock loach from? Not the rock loach, the stone loach. Because I swear those are the only 2 that I'm getting here. Where? Wait, no. I need shovel for that. Ooh. Stone horse. Well. Time to carry on. Please, if you're still here, do you know where the the stone loaches, or do I just need to get lucky with my fishing? Oh wait, I just hopped over that. Cause that's literally the only thing I do not have to break the next seal. Ah, I didn't get it. Oh well, that's fine. Did I get? Okay, I thought I had 2 perfect copper ore. Hello. Ow. Oh, wait, this is another. I don't know why it took me so long to realize that this is another. I don't have enough. Throw that over there. Okay. This one seems bigger than the others, so hopefully it'll. Nope. No, it is. It is. It is. Okay. Okay. We're heading up. We're heading up. Just go here. Yes. We do it. We doing it. We doing it right now. Right here. Wait. Okay. Know what? Wait. Before I go up. Okay. I will keep it in my inventory. But... let me... I don't know if I can donate anything here. Okay, I could donate it. I don't want to do that. Did you find it? I was looking through my fishing decks before I googled. I literally just got it. I literally just got it. And, so I'm gonna drop off some stuff because I'm not sure if it's gonna give me anything when I put the last item in. And please don't tell me. I want to experience this myself. If I ask, where something is, I'm totally fine with you telling me. Like, if I ask, like, hey, where's this thing, how do I do this, where can I find this? I'm totally fine with, people telling me. But, if it involves the story, or if it's like, oh yeah, you get this thing at this point, do not tell me what point it is, just tell me that it's later in the game. Let me see. I think this is what I made my fish chest, yes. Okay. Okay, so I could give that as a gift. I'll keep those in there, yeah. And then I'll sell the rest of these. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell those. And we're gonna go to the shrine. Hey! Hey, I found the last thing! I found the last thing. We're gonna unlock the... We're gonna break the water seal. Let's go! Let's go! I don't know how long I was looking for that thing, but you can tell I've been looking for quite a while, considering it's the last thing I need. The bug was completely easy to find. The mushroom took me a hot minute, but the fish is what got me. Alright, let's see. But I am kind of curious, is there specific levels that you can only get the stone loach from? Or is it just like anywhere that there's water? Anyway, here we go. Let's go. The seal. Who the heck are you? Priestess. Hero, thank you. I am... Dragon. Priestess. Meet below. Okay. It's usually per biome? Okay. What? Does this... This glowing heart crystal emanates a feeling of power. You feel a yearning to eat it? I think I'm gonna hold off on... Oh. Well, I have no energy, so I think now would be a good time to eat it. 124! Let's see what all we can get here. Oh shoot, right. Okay, it doesn't fill up my energy. So I think I'm just gonna eat some corn. And then do some mining. Yeah, I hear the ominous sounds of... I hear the ominous things. Let's see, if I... How do I break this? Is there a way to break it? Oh, okay, so these are basically the boxes. Do I dig you up? Oh, no, they're spikes. Okay. Okay. Cave mushroom. Mushroom. Monster horn. Okay, so I don't know what the next seal will be. I guess we'll have to see. Hey, you're getting awfully close. Oh, they drop things too. Hey, ow. Ow, I'm hurting. Oh, that one also leaves sparks on the ground. Okay, so I see now. Ow. I gotta be extra careful about those ones. I see. Ooh, iron. Yes. Okay. I'm still not sure which one I want to upgrade next, because again, I kind of want to hold off on... Sorry, my brain just fizzled out. I kind of want to hold off on... Okay, there's a bat. There's a whole bunch of iron here. Interesting. Okay, let me go down here. Go up. And I got a speed boost. Alright, so if I... Run. I saw that tip. I saw that tip where you go to the next floor and then come back up and then you got a speed boost still. I forgot what my train of thought was. Typically, I upgrade pickaxe, the tools you use most fishing, farming, then armors less. Okay. Yeah, I might upgrade the pickaxe next. Calderus! Approach, Orin. We must speak. This is a perfect time to do this at night. The water seal has been broken. A portion of my power has returned. You have done well. I will grant you summon rain. You will be able to access the spell from your journal. It can be used to summon a brief rainstorm on your farm. Use it wisely.
Hooray!
Water. So I could use that on, I could use that on days where I really want to do the mines, but it's not raining. Some memories are returning. There are 5 seals in total. The earthquake must have damaged them. The resulting flow of magic allowed me to awaken when you repaired my shrine. But who closed off the seals in the first place, or why, I cannot recall. Orin, you must reopen the other seals. I will do all I can to aid you along the way. For now, allow me to heal you.
Aww.
Go with my blessing.
Aww. Hooray! Hooray!
So do I... Okay, I do not have enough to really upgrade anything right now. Oh, wait. Okay. I guess I'll do that, because I am gonna be upgrading things soon. It's getting rather late. Okay, so I'll plop these in here. Nope, that goes into a different chest. Okay. So I don't really have much of a need for copper anymore, I guess. Because now that we're getting iron, that means we can kick in steel. Alright, gotta hop off for lunch. Catch ya. Thank you for joining, and thank you for the raid again, Caliste. It was nice having you here. Have a good lunch. I am likely gonna have to head off. Wait, how long have I been shooting for? It's only been about 2 hours, so we got about roughly 2 hours left, so.
Thank you. Thank you, Betty.
Alright, yeah, I think we're gonna have to switch to iron soon. Watermelon. Nice, we got a nice bit of money. And we're gonna get quite a bit more. We're gonna get quite a bit more once all these crops come in. Excellent.
Hi, Betty.
Look how cute you are.
Cutie.
Oh wait, I just realized we also got 2... whatchamacallit? We also got 2 mana things now. Let's see, this one. Water, water everywhere. Alright, I think my next goal... I didn't mean to do that. I think my next goal will be to upgrade to steel stuff. Or at least finish quite a few... whatchamacallit? Quite a few quests and requests. Because I want to get my farm up and running quite a bit. And I feel like this is a pretty decent start, at the very least.
I am proud of how far my farm is coming along.
Yep, I didn't mean to do that. I could have tried out... No, I wanna save the rain for a day that I really want to go to the mines.
Hello.
Lewis is a tailor? How interesting. I wonder how fashion has evolved after all this time. Also, I do notice he has a blue heart now. Which means it's that the two heart thing. Like, I have 2 hearts with him right now. Do I have any... Actually, do I have anybody with 3 hearts? 3 hearts yet? I don't know. But yeah, okay, I do have 3 hearts with March. But I think he's the only one. Either way. Iron tools and armor in stock. Oh. I've updated our shop selection with the iron tools and armor. You could craft them yourself, but you're probably not skilled enough. Salted watermelon. Ooh. So nice to have some fresh watermelon in town. I thought you might like this simple recipe for salted watermelon. Salted watermelon doesn't sound too pleasant. But also, who am I to judge? I eat weird combinations all the time. Okay, let's do some weeding. Get out of here. Things get out of control very, very fast. Okay. I don't think I have enough to fully upgrade any mining thing yet. Okay, let's see what all is available right now. So I could actually get iron ingots if I really wanted to. But I also noticed that sometimes even silver ingots show up in there. Work boots, ringer tea. I could buy some strawberry shortcake. Okay, nothing I can really use. I'm gonna smelt up the last of my copper. Wild grapes. I can do that. I can do that. Alright. Wait, I need to talk to... Wait, no, that was the end of the thing. inside the manor house. You know what? I might as well do this stuff. I might as well see all this first.
Hello.
I just saw your ants walking by. Orin, welcome. Come in. It's this way. Was he showing me an archaeological site again? Was that what's going on again? I forget. Ah, for gore. Oh, a tablet. Magnificent, isn't it? It's very old, certainly older than the town around it. You can find stills like this all over the country, although ours is in particularly good shape. Steel? An ancient monument. They were put here for all sorts of reasons, memorials to mark boundaries or to commemorate great events. Our steel depicts a legendary set of armor worn by someone called the Dragonsworn. It's quite unique. Supposedly, the Dragonsworn was a nearly mythical being who aided the dragons in the ancient days of the world. Could you imagine? Haha, do you think they're still around? You don't say. Of course, legends do tend to be full of, well, legendary figures. The truth of the matter has been lost. Although the armor and the details around the Dragonsworn have been lost to us, thanks to this stele, we do still have some clues. Come here. If you place your hands along the surface of the stele, you should be able to feel raised lettering that's undetectable at first glance. What'd I do? A hidden compartment? Don't tell me. Dragonsworn greaves. Incredible, they're a perfect match for the ones on the stele. The Dragonsworn's greaves. Here this whole time. And look inside the hidden compartment. There's more writing. This will take some time to translate. Can you hand me the greaves, Orin? But I wanted to wear them. Thank you. Now get these to the museum. Aww. I guess we are kind of keeping it a secret that we talk to this dragon statue every day. Because, I mean, who would really believe us, to be honest? Oh, wait, I need to go to... Do I need to go to her... No, I need to go... Oh, okay, I just need to go back out and kind of re-trigger the event. Okay, there we go. Orin, you're here. Now we can get the party started. I wouldn't call it a party, but it is needful work. Well, maybe it's both. What? With Mystria back on its feet, I think it is high time to take care of some of the debris and other damage the earthquake left behind. I'm sure the whole town would appreciate it being dealt with. Let's get beautifying. Thanks, Orin. It would go faster with more help, but... Island... We talked about this. Everyone is so busy already, we need to shoulder the extra burden. Okay. The sooner we start, the sooner we're done. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh, right, because there are cracks everywhere. I've needed to watch my step around here, especially at night. With the foot traffic the square gets, we're lucky no one twisted an ankle or worse. Reminds me of a certain somebody. That's all I'm gonna say. Cause if she's lurking right now, she understands.
Hey, you three. Doing some repairs? Looks fun.
Why don't you two join us?
Why not? Definitely better to take care of these cracks now. Knowing my sister, Del would probably try to dig these even deeper.
I forget that's her sister. Oh yeah, there is quite a lot of rubble. We're making good progress. Thanks for helping out, you two. It hardly feels like we're work when we all get to chat. This is going to leave us with a lot of leftover stone. I think we may have use for it. Why don't we fix the steps up to the summit? Ooh, these would make perfect repair materials, and there's less hauling for us to do as well. Oh boy, more people joining in. My word, was tidying the museum campus on the docket for today. I think these youngsters were trying to... I think these youngsters are trying to get one up on us, Errol. Let's show them what we can do. Everybody's gonna help out. Ooh, right, because he was a miner. That's not the right word. That's not the right spelling of the word I wanted to say, captions. But I guess everybody was a miner at some point. Apologies, I can see my exuberance has gotten the best of me. You old show-off. I need water. Stairs. Wait, we're gonna unlock a new area, that's right. Isn't it wonderful to restore old stonework? Untold generations of Mystrians. Yeah, that's right. Untold generations of Mystrians have made use of these steps. More importantly, we'll finally have access to that lemon tree up on the hill again. And the summit, the view up there can't be beat. Oh hey, more people! So that's what all the noise was. Reese. March. Let's go. They just immediately hop to it. They're just like, our time has come. Phew, I'd say that's a job well done. Shall we head up to the summit? I confess I've missed the view. Yeah.
Everybody!
Off into the distance. Wait, there's another kingdom over there. Oh wait, is that the capital? Ooh. I can't believe it. The whole list checked off so quickly. Next time, just put out a request, Adeline. Miss Celine is correct. Where Mystria is concerned, I believe there is no one in town who wouldn't pitch in. Everyone, thank you.
Hooray!
Yay! Now we can access the summit! Hi, bug. There's a bug here. Nice. So now we can get to the lemon tree. Lemon tree. I'm guessing this is the lemon tree. Shake. Wait, what? I just had to. I'm sorry. Oh, there's another well here. Nice. That's a pretty little area. Excellent, excellent. Yes, yes. It's still 11, it's still 12, so we still got quite a bit of time in the day. Wait, somebody had a request for grapes. I think I'm gonna go see if I can harvest them. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Can I shake it more? No. Why can I shake the tree up there, but I can't shake the trees down here? Interesting. Interesting, interesting. Yes, yes. Let's see. I want to see... Summon rain type farming. Summons a brief rainstorm that waters all your crops when cast. I kind of want to do that one, because I've not been using the full restore, but I kind of... want to use that. Maybe for tomorrow, because I think that'd be pretty useful. Because aside from Fridays and Saturdays, there isn't really much going on around town. Oop, ad, hold on. Oh no! It is ad time. It is ad time. What do I have in my inventory? Okay, wait, wasn't there somebody who liked, Cosmos as a gift? Yeah, it was Celine. I'm gonna give that to Celine. And if I give the hay to Wait, where is Celine, actually? Where is she? Is she over here? No. Over here? No. Is she at the beach? No, that's... No, that's her mom. No, that's... Oh, she is at the end. Okay. Hey. I got a gift for you. Such a pretty flower. Thanks for thinking of me, Orin. What do you got? Dozy says I should eat more vegetables, so here I am. Dozy says? Excuse me? You can understand what the dog says? The dog speaks? I didn't think Dozy even was intelligent enough to. Hello. Did you know Nora's birthday is this week? I bet she'd love your presents, not to mention your presents. Okay, I don't think there's anything else. I want to see where... Oh wait, I did just realize if I go to here, I can see what people's little icons are. I've been released. Welcome, Ruby. Welcome. Where is my man, the farmer? The rancher. Okay, he's down there. Wait, people are going to the beach. Ooh, I just realized people are going to the beach. Let's go see if we can see beach outfits. People's beach outfits. Hey, I don't know if you'd like this, but, can I speak to you? This Geo thingy could help my crops and give me bigger yields. It sounds interesting, but I do like my way of doing things. Could I give you this? Not that I'm not appreciative, but... Oh, maybe it's for Henrietta? Okay, he doesn't like it. How are you liking the game so far? I'm very much enjoying it. I want to play it all day, but I got to work. Unfortunately. Let's see, I want to see if there's anybody at the beach. It said that people were at the beach. Yeah!
There, in the distance, is a giant sea monster.
A megalodon.
Gigantus, incredible. We have to draw it away from the town. Dragon Guard execute the formation.
I love how they're building a thing together. Haven't gotten it yet. Tempted to? You should. The children do have big imaginations. Tirithia's stories always get me fired up. Honestly, me too. That lady's seen things. Oh, the moms brought their kids to the beach. Oh, that's cute. Alright, I wanna grab this. Blue conch shell. Blue conch shell. I have been really enjoying it, though. It's... Even though the game is still in progress, it's still, like, there's still quite a lot in it. The magic conch, yes! Like, I've been playing this game... Let's see what Steam says I've been playing this game for. Steam says I've been playing this game for 16 hours, and I think I'm not even halfway through, what stuff there is.
Gotcha. Yeah.
They're having a little beach day. Sod. No, that's Pete. Sod is the one that has the grass on top. The magic conch. The magic conch. See, I want to see if there's any other things. Oh wait, coconuts. Right, somebody needed those. Coconut. Who needed coconuts? Somebody needed coconuts, I know that. But yeah, I just unlocked iron. So there's currently 5 tiers of upgrades, but I don't think the last tier is in the game yet. But yeah, I've been playing like 16 hours according to Steam's statistics, and I've only just gotten to the 2nd out of 4 current tiers. Who needed coconuts again? Over here. Cheese, coconuts. Oh, she needs coconuts. Okay. Pomegranate juice. I don't have pomegranates. Seaweed. Tea. I want to know where to get tea. Ultimate feed. Okay, he needs small. He needs large. He wanted the grapes. Okay. Okay, so I have the coconuts for one request. I have the grapes for another. I want to talk to you. I spent my day at the museum and got a bit fixated on the diamondback mirror. It seems a bit impractical, but I can imagine that a certain someone getting a good deal of use out of it. I gotta skedaddle to get ready to work. See ya. I might have to be going off here in a hour or so myself, so I totally understand. Have a good day at work. Interesting, I just discovered tea. I want tea so badly. I like tea IRL. I want my character to drink tea too. I try to give March some space at the forge when I can. He really likes getting into the zone, you know? You wanted grapes. Wild grapes, thank you, Orin. I traveled all over Aldaria in my youth, and I can tell you that Mystria easily has the best grapes. Nice, I got more money. I still need to find a caterpillar. I'm not sure where I can find caterpillars. Because I don't think there's a caterpillar up there that I saw. Oh, wow. Oh, wait. Yeah, they're heading back from the base, that's right. Let's see. There's some things I could turn in for... Oh, they're having a little chat. You know what, I just want to see... No, okay. Yeah, that is a praying mantis. Where are the caterpillars, though? Do I gotta chop up some grass and maybe I'll find them? I don't see any caterpillars. I don't see any caterpillars. Hey, you want your hooks to be made with a sturdy metal, but I think blending ores might get you a more flexible fishing rod. Can you give me some time with this? It's an interesting problem. Take all the time you want. Alright, let's see. Can I not pick those up? Oh wait, my inventory's full, that's probably why. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I can come back for those later. I do have some things that I can drop off in the museum. Hermit crab and praying mantis. Alright. In we get. And I can pick these up now. Grass seed. Grass seed. Also, I don't know why, but I love that if you go to the mill, you can just make up a lot of grass seed and... Okay, that thing scared me. I didn't know what was going on. I forgot the mill moves now. But I do love that you can just come here and just turn these turn stone into grass seed and hay to feed your animals. So you could just literally go to the mines and just basically turn everything into what you need. I do really want to get a cow so I can get milk to make things. Let's see. I'm trying to see what that is. Oh wait, that's gold. Oh right, that's golden milk. Okay, that makes sense. I also want to make... I want to make a cat treat. I'd like to make a cat treat. I don't know what I need mayonnaise for, but I know I need a lot of things. Use this item to plant a patch of new grass on your farm. Useful for grazing animals. Animal feed. I can make saplings. Okay, I got nothing to do here. I got nothing. Hello. Not for a light night stroll. It's a great way to relax before bed. Whee! I don't know what I'm gonna do the rest of the evening. Maybe I'll sell the rest of this stuff. Wait, no, I could make more grape juice. Let's see, this is my kind of cooking. Okay, I need a specific chest for... I guess this could be my quest chest. So I don't accidentally turn these things into ingredients. And then that goes in there, this goes in here. And then I'll sell this. Sell that. Because I have all of... What did these sell for? 110. Those fill for 10. Sure, I'll sell some copper. I do also need to make up the rest of the copper. So you know what? I'm gonna go see if I have enough time to go to the forge. I don't know if I will. I don't know if I could actually get a forge, at my farm. But thank you for the follow, Propane Seller. Welcome, welcome. Nice seeing new people here. I've been seeing quite a few new people here, quite a lot. I really should check. Hold on a second. Discord, browser, what is that one? Late Cleast raid message. Welcome, welcome. Let me see. I want to see if I can fix this. Cat frame and alerts. Caption frame. I just want to see sound alerts, trigger fire. Okay, I think that's the... Oh wait, no, that's not it. Okay, never mind. I think this is the one that's been doing the double thing. You know, I'm just gonna get rid of them. Hello, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday! Happy Thursday indeed, although let's see. Yeah, I got about an hour and a half left. I gotta work today, unfortunately, so it's not all too happy Thursday, but it's still happy Thursday to you as well. Happy Thursday. Okay. I think I'm gonna keep the rest of the copper ingots for crafting. But if I really need, I could... whatchamacallit. I've already forgotten what I was saying. If I really needed, I could go to the mines and mine up a lot of copper to make some money. Which doesn't sound like a bad idea, honestly. I got corn, I got things, I got things. Where did I put... Okay, I did put it in here. I'll put that in there. And I'll move this where the ore once was.
Hi, Biddy. Thank you. Thank you for the oregano, Biddy. I love you, Biddy.
Wait, no, this would be a summer. Okay, I got 3 of those. What don't I have 3 of? I don't have 3 of some of the flowers. Okay. This is the cooking chest. Put some oregano in there. That should be good. That should be good. We gotta say goodnight to the dragon. Gotta say goodnight. Good night. Good night. Gotta say good morning and good night to our buddy the dragon, who can only sit down, who can only be in this one specific spot at any given point. And yet he somehow knows what's going on. Isn't that right? Let's see. Okay, I don't really have that many points. I need to get a lot more points. Wait, what is that? It's... It starts with an E, doesn't it? It's not coming to mind. Essence. Essence. That's what it is. It's essence. It is essence. Okay. I have more hearts with Adeline than I do Aland. I still don't know how to say his name. I've not talked to quite a few people here. Okay. Alright, I think tomorrow... Look, I didn't mean to do that. I think tomorrow I'll go to the mines to get some, steel and stuff. I think that's what my plan will be. I also really want to drink some water. I want to drink my tea, but I also want to hold off on doing that to drink it then on my next day. Next day off, I mean. Alright. Because I can drink all the tea I want at work. Because they have a, Because at work, I can drink as much of the fountain drinks and everything else that I want. Within reason, I guess. But, I could get... Ew, tomato soup. But yeah, so I kind of want to hold off on drinking my special drink until then. Why can't I thought I have... corn. Did I use up all my corn? I guess I did use up all my corn. Sounds like heaven. Yeah. Also unlimited ices. And... unlimited coffee and hot chocolate. Which is very, very nice. Yeah. It's weird, because I actually don't like... Like, I'm very particular about my hot chocolate, but for some reason, gas station hot chocolate is always really good to me. Okay, I'm gonna put those in there. I'm gonna make up the rest of the corn as... Okay, we got 5 days left of... whatchamacallit? That. So I basically have unlimited coffee after before a certain point, because at some point I do have to get rid of the coffee, because we stopped doing coffee after a certain point, and I do close, so yeah. So unlimited coffee, unlimited hot chocolate, which they do have multiple flavors of hot chocolate, unlimited icy, and unlimited fountain drinks. So that includes the Arizona tea dispense. But it's unlimited to a degree, because I can only... Oh, wait, why do I have... Oh, right, okay. I can make infinite food. I'd probably be drinking so much shit. Blue Raz Icy, my skin would turn blue. You and my mom both, apparently. Alright, let's go ahead and use this. There we go! Thank you for the power. Oh, wait, I do still have another thing. So you have finished clearing away the marks left behind by the earthquake. Well done. I'm glad to see things in order.
Yay! My buddy's happy with us.
But yes, it is a Mines Day. It is a Mines Day. Oh wait, I got an extra thing. Nice. I got an extra special corn. Alright, it is Mines Day, so we go to the mines. I yearn for the mines. We got 10 corn to eat. And we got an extra one. That'll give us a lot more energy. It'll be all good. As a child, I yearned for the mines. Minecraft is your way to go, my friend. Alright. Down to 20. Alright. Hello. Hello. Hey. Right. Okay, that goes sideways. Hey. Oh, you shoot two, that's right. So I gotta dodge the first one and then get the second one. Yeah, I like that. Now what's your thing? I didn't have enough time to check. Alright, you're just a bit beefier. Ooh, you dropped 2 monster stuff, though. Nice. I don't really do that much fishing and stuff in these. I just kind of want to get the resources I want. But these seem a lot more expansive. And I'm happy to see new monsters. Always nice. And there's new bugs, there's new things. What is this? Right, that's Barnacle. No, wait, can I? Why can't I? Okay, that's weird. It's like the root thing of the previous level, I guess. It's not giving me the iron. It's supposed to give me iron, right? Every once in a while? Yep, there we go. Okay. I guess it's about as rare as the copper drops, to be fair. I say as I get another iron drop. And another one. I think with my current skills and stuff, I do also need 9 iron. There we go. Oop. Hello. I love this mechanic. You gotta be skillful, you gotta be dodgy. Hey, go ahead, buddy. Yeah. Alright, I really need to upgrade my sword as soon as possible. Alright, let's go. I think what I might do is try and give the shrine on the eastern side some money to see if I can get some to chance. Oh, wait, there's a diving spot there. Ooh, that was close. Oh, wait, thank you. Oh, you leave a puddle. Oh, I see. He's neat learning new things. Okay, I see there's areas to go over there, but I can't reach them, I don't think. Or can I? No, I don't see a way to reach those. Maybe there'll be some new mechanic. Oh wait, no, I see how. I think. I want to get more of this iron. Okay. I think I see how. I think I see your game. Yeah! I got smart. I am smarticles. I have smarticles. I say as I miss many things. I'm gonna eat. No, don't throw it. Do not throw it. That is not what I wanted. Hey. You wanna shoot at me again? Huh? Huh, punk? Yeah. So I could just go up to that guy. Essence drop. A drip of magic sometimes dropped by essence bats, used in a variety of crafting recipes. Oh, so that's the new crafting recipe I need. Because I know I saw that, purple drop thing. Excellent. I want to see what this is. Oh, this is oh, it's under seaweed. Huh. Interesting. Alright, I see that new iron rock guy there. I see many things. Oh, you shoot them in 2 different directions. I really need to upgrade my sword. Hey. Go on. Go on. I know you wanna. Coral. Coral. Woo. Okay, you shoot one forward, too. Go on. Go on. I know you wanna. One more time. One more time. Yes. Okay, I can't carry that. What can I drop? I'll drop that. You know what? I could eat some corn, actually. Eat the corn. Eat it. Jumpy jump. Ow. I just want... Got him. I just want to mine. Okay, how much energy? I am filled to the brim with health. Alright, why is it doing that? Hey, how's it going? It's going pretty good, Pink. We got the water seal done, which I'm excited about. So we're exploring the new area of the mines, and I'm trying to get enough iron to upgrade something. What I'm gonna upgrade, I'm not quite sure. I kinda wanna upgrade... Right, ooh, shoot. I almost ran into that. Hey. Hey. Go ahead. Go on. Shoot me. Hit me. Hit me. Look. Hit me. Go on. I know you wanna. Okay, there's really not any space I could go. Ah! This thing is a problem. Go away. This thing is a problem. Try hit the rocks back at it. I've been trying to, but this is just like too small of a platform. You know what? I could get rid of this. Yeah, I know the trick with these guys. It's just like, this is a precarious area. And he won't shoot at me from all the way over there. And now his bullets are gonna hit that. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you to it. I don't care. Ah! Fair. It's just bruh. I also know with these guys, I gotta turn around and then hit them. I like the rock hat. Thank you. I made him green so it looks like a little slime. As you like the little slime. There is actually quite a lot of water here, which makes sense because it's the water... We went through the water seal. Hello, lanterns. It's 10:30. I gotta keep an eye on the time. I'ma lurk while I get breakfast and such. Have fun. Nice. Have a good... Anyway, as I was saying, I gotta watch the time. A little flop. I gotta watch the time to make sure I don't... You know what, I think now is actually the time to go home. Also, I just realized you can... I didn't just realize, but I keep forgetting that I can just, hop over rocks. Alright, let's see what I can do. Mining. True blue. Yeah, I'll do that one. Give me that extra money. I'm surprised I haven't leveled up, combat yet. Alright, let's see. I think I can donate some things. Let's see. Yeah, I could donate the underseaweed. The underseaweed. And I still need to get the full. What is it? That's not a caterpillar. I need to keep an eye out for caterpillars. Caterpillars. I forgot what I was doing and saying. Okay. I also kind of want to get rid of all my stamina. There we go. I can't pick that wood up. Oh dear. Oh well. Oh dear. Oh well. 50% seed, 50% weed. Alright, let me see. I can drop that off. Yeah, this is where the monster stuff is. Plop that in there. Underseaweed should go elsewhere. Put that in there. Coral. Coral. Okay, I should have enough for 4 ingots, hypothetically. No, I know. It'd be 45, wouldn't it? No, I have enough for 5. I have enough for 5 ingots, so I could get a new tool immediately. And because it is raining, that means I have another free... Or it's supposed to be raining today. But that means I have another free mining day. If time allows. This is the most money I've ever had. 3,318. Ooh. I want to see what the new thing is. 24. It's Nora's birthday. What would Nora want? Nora's the... Uh-oh. What should I get? Hi, kitty. Whoop, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, it's Nora's birthday. Do I have any crops that I can... Yes, I do. Is there anything I can make, actually? So many cucumbers, so many things! So many things! Actually, I want to see what I can make with cucumbers, to be honest. Wild berry jam, tomato soup, berries and cream, grape juice. Is there anything I can make with cucumbers? I'm sure there is, but I likely do not have the recipe for it. Also, I really want to make some sushi. I would love that, but I need a fish to do that. And I need potatoes for that. Vegetable soup. Okay, I need cucumbers. That stuff. I need a forage for that stuff. Trail mix. Ew. Interesting. Bread noodles. Ooh, wait. I just realized I can't wait for, I can't wait for summer. Not summer, winter. Not winter. Fall. Nah, I got 5. That should be good. I'm gonna make up the rest of the corn into food. Yeah, buddy. Cute kitty. Need a kitchen upgrade. Level 2 kitchen is now available at the carpenter shop. You should stop by and check out. Ooh, that's actually very helpful. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You and Aelin are searching for the armor of someone called the Dragonsworn? The name is familiar, but my memory is still too clouded. I'm sorry, I cannot be of much assistance. Hey, I got the blue heart. I got blue heart dragon. Dragon is now blue heart. Okay. Time for mines. I yearn for the mines. Wait. I know I need to stop by. Tea with lemon. I don't know what she would like. I'll give her the potato soup. It's a safe bet, I think. Because it's somebody's birthday today. This is a crafting table. Yes! Alright, where is she at? I think she's up here. I think she's in the inn. She's the one with the blue earrings, I believe. Hey, I got you to potato soup. You're the birthday person, right? Holt's so good with spicy food. For me? My goodness, it's my birthday, isn't it? Holt is always leaving me presents, so I didn't put it together. Thank you, Orin. Nice. Okay. Off to the mines I go. Off to the mines I go. To the mines. I want to get... Actually, you know what? I could probably make up something new right now. Yeah, I can make 5. So I think I'm gonna immediately upgrade my pickaxe. Just in case I encounter something. Can be charged to strike a 3x3 area. Ooh. Yeah, I think that would be good. 20 minutes. 27! What even needs that much? Okay, so the golden sword needs 26 level, but I am leveled up way past everything. Okay, wait, it is time. It is time. Excellent. Pickaxe has been upgraded. We'll have to see which one I can upgrade next. Ugh, I could go to the... Okay, you know what? Let's go down to 20. I still need to make sure... Oh! Oh! What did I do? What did I do? Ow. Hey. I was gotta be careful about this guy because he does throw 2 bullets, so if I hit the first one... If I hit the first one, it's just gonna, like, destroy the second bullet. I know that much. Dang it! I don't have the skills. There we go. Finally. I just had to doubt myself. Hey. I love little mushroom guys. The little mushroom guys are so cute. It takes 3 hits to destroy those now. That is so nice. Excellent. Excellent. No. Ow. Ow. There's too much going on. Hey. You got a little shotgun blast, don't you? Ow. I gotta time this right. Alright. Time it right. One more time. Ow. I'm getting my butt kicked. I'm getting my butt kicked. I don't like this. Ah! What was that? Propane. Why must you do this to me? Hey. I forgot y'all got the... Ah! Alright, got it. Okay, you stop. No, you stop. You stop your shenanigans. You stop your shenanigans. There we go. Stop! In the name of the law. I want to see how this looks. Ooh! That can one hit the big rocks. Alright, now I need to find the exit. Because I want to get to the next... I want to get to the next, checkpoint. I guess it'd be. Ah! Wah! 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 Did you know you can jump over the bullets? Watch this. That's a dodge if I've ever seen one. Hey. Okay, that still doesn't. Hey. Stop it. Stop it. You're being rude. There we go. Finally! Also, the music has stopped. It's very disappointing when the music stops. There we go. Okay, it is currently 2:30. Need to watch. Need to watch. There we go, that's the exit. I think I'm going to try and focus on just getting to the next level. So I need to mine quite a bit. What was that? Did anybody else hear that weird noise? I don't know. I got Play-Doh. That's nice. Alright. Come here, you little... Got him. Hey, stop. 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 Ow. Ow, I'm hurting. I'm hurting. I don't think I really need to heal quite yet. I just need to get good. Hi, Propane. Oh, you two know each other, huh? I guess it makes sense, because Propane did come from Clee's chat. It's always nice seeing new faces here, though. Especially from if there's from, friends or acquaintances chats. Ooh, I see that sapphire. Yes. Oh, wait, no, I can't pick it up. Shoot. What can I drop? What can I drop? Drop it. Wow. You're coming full circle? Yeah, buddy. Alright, I'm just gonna go down. We are on level 24. There are many new things. This is a mimic. Ow! I didn't dodge that. I didn't dodge good enough. Oh, you can go under the ground. Oh, I didn't realize. I did not realize your game. You're in summer. When is the Shooting Star Festival again? It's the last day of summer, so it's not letting me see. Summer 24, so it's in 4 days? Should be 4 days. I'm just going about my business. You should too, Mushroom. Do not interact with me. Let's see. Who are you gonna invite, if anyone? Honestly, I might try March, just to see the thing you were talking about. Because I do have, how many hearts do I have with March? How many hearts do I have with March? March. I have 3 hearts with March right now. So, I want to see what you were talking about with him. Alright, we got 25. Nice. There's not really much here aside from just mining, I guess. Okay, it's 7:10. Yeah, I think I've got to try to advance a little bit just to see what ults the next level. Yeah. I can swim. Swimmy, swim. There's nothing here. I think the minimum is 4, can't remember, but watching it back, it's really not that bad. I think it just particularly pissed you off. Totally fair. But March is the only one that I have, the most heart with, so I think it's gonna have to wait till next summer. What? Let me into the water! Why won't you let me into the water? Whoa. I don't know what's going on there. Ooh, what's that? Yeet. Wait, I can eat that? Sand rug. A sandy rug that mimics the beach. Ooh, oh, that is pretty big. You were watching that too, right? Like, it wouldn't let me into the water. It wouldn't let me go anywhere. I was just trapped there. Alright, I think I am gonna go back. Screw this noise. Screw this noise. I'm leaving. It's 9 p.m. I got things to donate. Wait, do I have the next tier of combat, actually? Yes, I do! Quick-footed. Blue sapling pools will grant a short speed boost rather than slow you down. Using an offering shrine will bestow a short HP and stamina regen buff in addition to their usual effect. Monsters will occasionally drop twice as many items when defeated. Certain cooked dishes will occasionally drop... Ooh, I want that. Yes, yes please. Yes please. I think I'll go with that one too. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Oh, I did not realize my health. I did not realize my health. Why can't I donate this? Why can't I donate the sapphire? That annoys me. That annoys me. But if my calculations are correct... Can I make 3? No, I can't. I'm 1 short of 3? You know what? We're going back to the mines. Screw that noise. They don't want the gems. They do want perfect ores, though. Right! They want the perfect ones. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. So the regular gems can just be used... Okay. The regular gems can just be used as gifts. Or crafts. Give me 1 piece of iron, please. I request you give me 1 piece of iron. Just 1. I just need 1. I just need 1. I don't want to be in bullet hell. That's how you're gonna be. I just want 1. There we go. I'm outie. I'm outie. Screw this noise. I'm outie. For money... Oh yeah, give Sam. I want to use them as gifts. I don't know who would really appreciate the gems. I guess the merchant guy would appreciate the gems, because he likes rubies. Yeah, buddy. We got enough to upgrade the next tool. Yeah, I think Baylor. Yeah. Okay, I think... I might as well go ahead and upgrade the watering can, I think. Why can't... Oh, because it takes 40 minutes. Because I know I'm 1 ingot away from a silver sword, so I kind of want to hold off on that. In case I get another one as a gift of sorts. I do know that he likes gold ore. Yeah. March seems to like ores and... Seems to like ingots and perfect ores as a gift. Let me see. Because I've already given him... Let's see. Where is he? Yeah, he loved the perfect copper ore, and he likes the regular copper ore. So I think if I have any extra ingots, I could give them to him as a gift. If I want to get that extra boost, you know. Did I get that? Yeah, I did. What did I get? Ranger's leaf hair clips. cute. I'll take that. I do have tomatoes. I need to get home because it's 12:30. And I don't want to be late. Okay, we have many things to drop off. I need to make a distinction between these things. Okay, sapphires. Keep that. Put that away. Put these away. I can sell. I kind of want to keep. You know what? I kind of want to keep this. And I'll sell the other two. Just for fun. Just to get that money. Good night, dragon friend. Good night. Nice little rainy day. Tomorrow's gonna be sunny. And I gotta double save because I feel like things are going wrong. I just wanted to check to make sure everything's okay. Oh, 5,000. That is the most I've ever had. We're gonna be making a lot of crops by the fall. And I'm gonna be making a lot of hay. A lot. I literally got done with a day, it autosaved, then my game immediately crashed. Did it save what you did, though? I mean, as long as it saved what you did, I guess it... Ooh, upgrade! Upgrade. And also many, many peppers. Many, many peppers. Peppers. I think so. Haven't been on again to see. Okay. It's just one of those things where you prefer to just find out on your own. Also, I love that if you charge it... Oh, okay, I messed that up. But I love if you charge it, it still gives you the option of the regular, 1x3. Or I guess it would be 3x1. Speaking of which, I'm gonna go play my save before my doctor's appointment. Have fun. Take care of yourself. I'm glad to hear you going to the doctor after everything that's been happening. I did mention you earlier, though. Before you go, I do want to mention I did allude to you earlier because they were talking about, oh yeah, we gotta fill in these cracks. I'm surprised somebody hasn't twisted their ankle yet. You know? Anyway, go have fun with your game. Have fun with your game. Calderus. A meteor shower returns to the skies every year around this time. It's a rare constant looking back over the years. I look forward to viewing it once more. Yay! I'd want to see it with you, Calderus. Wait. It would be so amazing if I had the opportunity to get to like, basically speedrun the game and have, Calderus... Okay, I do know some minor spoilers. I know you can, like, eventually Calderus does have a human form, at some points. And it would be so nice if you just, like, speedrun the game in some way so that Calderus's first re-encounter or reintroduction with, the Starfall thing, was, like, as a human instead of a statue. It would be so cute. Actually, I want to see what this, that looks kind of ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want my sun hat back. Where's my sun hat? There's my sun hat. Nope, I want the green one. There we go. Let's see. Yeah. But yeah, these are the hats I got. I got the lantern, I got the little mushroom, I got the rock, and I got the little... I don't know what that is still. When did I get this witch hat? Was the witch hat always there? I don't remember. Oh, wait. Did I pet? Nope. Pet. Okay, I did pet. I think getting the watering can as the upgrade first was very, very good. Was a good idea. So I think... Oh, wait! I just realized I got the infusion, too. Nice! Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. Heck yeah. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. I got 5,000 monies. I'm still saving up for the next crops. What a beautiful day. I wonder if anyone's down at the beach. The Shooting Star Festival is one of my favorites. Joe and I used to watch it every year together before we got married. And now we get to watch those same stars with the family we built together. Warms my heart.
Ah, yes, you family's so wholesome. So many of these families are so wholesome.
I'm just counting Tesserae Orin. Let me know if I can be of aid. Oh wait, Caterpillar. I want to buy that from you, thank you. Rabbit wool, tile roof. I could get the chest piece thing. I could get the maid skirts. Tea with lemon, acorn. Wait, do you sell this for discount compared to... Wait, I could make lemonade. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Thank you. Okay, so milk, he's selling for 120. How much you... Oh, wait, no. Oh, right, I had to go over here anyway. Hey, Orin. So what's this all about, Adeline? This letter was pretty vague. Mystria has bounced back from the earthquake quite recently, don't you all think? I'll say you've unearthed a real talent for managing things, Adeline. I think he made a pun, and I honestly didn't even notice. I thought he was just saying something normal. I didn't notice. I feel bad if he intentionally made a pun just then. I don't want us to rest on our laurels. There's no reason why we can't become the best town in Aldaria. We're with you, of course, but where do we start? Upgrading the general store? I can upgrade my farm myself. I don't really care. Just what I was thinking. It'd be a dream come true. More stock, a better selection. Just think of all the new puns I could come up with, all the new kind of material. Exactly. Everyone who lives in Mystria would see some benefit. That is, if you two are up for the challenge for running a larger store. Absolutely. I thought that might be the case. Unfortunately, since this isn't a recovery project, I'm afraid the capital won't be able to assist. If we all pitch in, it'll be no problem. Thank you. Now, I've already secured Reyes and March's involvement, and I've come up with a list for each of us. Orin, from... You will need 500 stone, 300 wood, 5 copper ingots, 5 iron ingots, and 3,000 tesserae. Alright, that's a big order, but I'm willing to do it. Outside the general store. We've got a lot of work ahead of us, but I'm sure we can do it. I can't wait for the grand opening. Hooray! I guess it'd be a grand reopening, really. Alright, who needed Caterpillar? Oh, you need a sapphire, huh? A friend went out of the way to do me a favor, and I'd like to show him how much I appreciate it. Could you find me a sapphire? Who needed the Caterpillar? Who needed the Caterpillar? Who needed the Caterpillar? Okay, it was Tavern Dad. It's Tavern Dad. Where's Tavern Dad? Have you seen your husband? Planning to celebrate the Shooting Star Festival, Orin? Whether you watch it solo or with a date, it really is a magical experience. Honestly, I kind of want to... Let's see, wait. How much hearts do I have? March. I don't think I'm gonna have enough... Oh, he's probably at the beach right now. That's probably why he's just... he's only got shorts on. Oh, wait, Reina's... Oh! Oh, she's so cute. Who else is at the beach? I think it's just those three. You know what? Oh, wait, no, Celine... No, that's Celine's usual. Del, Dozy... I think it should be good. Wait, where... I need to check the map. Where is he? He's heading up. No, wait, no, that's not him. That's the carpenter. He's down here. Right. Hey, I got you a caterpillar! Oh, this must be the caterpillar I requested for Luke, right? Why did I... What voice am I doing right now? Thank you, Warren. He's going to love it. Here's your reward. Rice ball! Sweet. I got a rice ball. Okay, he's currently selling milk. How much is milk here? You're not selling milk. You guys aren't selling milk. What? Or is it at the tavern? Oh, y'all sell milk. Oh, you sell milk for the same price. Okay, never mind. Apple pie, mushroom rice, rice ball. Ooh, I want that. Deluxe curry, potato pie. I think I'll make both of those. Take both of those. Okay, I need level 2 for those anyway. You know what? I'll get rid of the deluxe curry. Alright, I need to learn it. Alright, I think today might be resource gathering day. Because I got quite a lot to bring. I guess this is where it comes in, where I had that copper ingot stuff. So I think I'll chop wood today, and then... Let me see. You know, I'm gonna double check. Okay, tomorrow's sunny, but I could do... the rain spell tomorrow, and then go grind out some stone. Alright, where's the copper? I'm just gonna go ahead and get this out of the way. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead, get this copper out of the way, and then get quite a bit of wood. Because I usually don't have a lot of wood anyway. Actually, you know what? I keep going back and forth, I know, but I think I am just gonna go to the mines, get a lot of iron, so that I can upgrade the axe, because I know I have the pickaxe now, so I don't gotta worry. I would like that speed boost with the wood. Because if I don't upgrade my axe now, it's just gonna take a lot longer. The water seal. It is the water seal! Alright, so I need a lot of stone, and I need iron anyway, so... I need stone, I need iron, I need all kinds of things. I honestly kind of almost have enough for... I just need to dodge. I need to get good. Give me that. Thank you. Don't care. Goodbye. We're just focusing on getting all the stone we need. All the stone and minerals. Nothing will stop us. Nothing will stop us. Ever. Ever. We're on a speed train. And we ain't slowing down anytime soon. Nothing will get in our way. We will become the ultimate resource gatherer. Get out of my way. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me this, give me that, give me that, give me this. Okay. I do have plenty of room. I will not stop until we either get enough stone... Ooh, what is this? Statue with an altar. Sure, I'll try that. What you give me? Oh, you give me health! Oh! I didn't realize there were altars here. Give me that. Give me these. Give me these. Give me that. Y'all give me wood too, so I'll take that. Get out of my way. Don't care. Y'all are nothing to me. I'm just here to explore and gather resources. I am but a humble miner, and I ain't dealing with this. Get out of my way. Perfect iron ore. Thank you. Excellent. I'll donate that to the museum immediately. Through the portal. Ooh, wait. Oh, no, that's a mimic. Never mind. I'll eat the rice ball. Thank you. Nope, wrong thing. Okay, currently 4:30. We got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. And plenty of energy. I have 10 corn after all. Nothing will slow us down. You. Get out my face. Just the get out my face. I don't know why, it's one of my favorite things. I wish I could pick up these things. They'd be a nice decoration. But I guess it would also make this area dark. And I do not really want that. Give me that. The mines are a really great way to get up a lot of... whatchamacallit? Essence. You must get essence. Don't care, here to get materials and nothing else. I do not wish to explore. I just wish to mine. Oh, look at there. We have the next level already. It is 6:40. Takes a lot of skill being able to dodge like this. Ooh. I say as I immediately get attacked. Alright, over here we got more iron. Oh shoot. Okay. Time for corn. Honestly can't wait to see where the story goes though. I want to see, and I do not want to be spoiled, of what the dragon looks like as a human. I'm excited for that. That is my favorite. That is what I really want to work towards. I want to see what the dragon looks like. And I will romance the dragon. We will live together in my tiny little cottage, and we will be happy. We will live a happy life together. It can still be a happy life even if there's just... Ow! We can still be a happy life even if he's still a statue, but... I will be able to hug him. I will be able to give him food. Make him eat... Make him delicious foods. Happy, humble life on the ranch. On the farm. It's not a ranch because I don't have animals. Could be argued that the other guy is the rancher and I'm the farmer. But once I get livestock, then it'll be a bit more blurred lines. Ow! That does 45 damage. Ow! Excuse you. Okay, it's 9:20. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why? Eh. Okay, we have the perfect ore. I need to donate that. How much stone do we have? 179. We have a long ways to go. And they needed 5... They needed 5 iron ore. Okay. Shoot, I messed up. Oh, he's shaking the screen. Okay, that's why. Okay, I was confused by that. Well, I'm out of energy anyway. So we're gonna head out. I'm gonna plop all of this stone into the chest. Donate. And I'm not gonna donate my iron because I want to make the axe first before I go on a... Okay, I can make 3. Do I have another iron ingot, though? I feel like I have one at home. I don't know. I don't quite know. Oh, I could make... Ooh, I can make 2. Yes. Give me that. Give me that. Yes. Perfect. So tomorrow, if I really want to, I could start gathering wood. Ooh, it also got the lightweight thing, too. Sweet. Sweet. Always satisfying. Alright. I'm gonna plop all this stone in there, and also that wood. We're still quite a ways off, but that's fine. That's fine. We'll go back to the mines tomorrow. Or I might just say screw it and go start doing the trees. We'll have to see.
Oh, thank you, Betty. Oh, you got 2 things.
You got 2 things. Wait, did I get your heart up? Is that why you're getting 2? Yeah, okay. I see. Okay, yeah. And I'm gonna put... Wait, are these a fall thing? No, it's a spring. That's why I haven't seen that one before. Okay, I need to put that in there. I want 3 of those. And then we'll put the rest in these chests. Bonk, bonk. Put that away. Why not? And also put that there. Okay. You know what? Wait. Yeah, I'll eat some corn and we'll go chop some trees. Hey, that goes by so much faster now. And these things are 1 hit now. And those are 4 hit. Oh, that's so nice! That's so nice. This is so satisfying. Anytime it's an upgrade, it's so much better. I wonder if the gold ones are gonna be like 1 hit each. That'd be neat. Alright. The only thing I hate is that the, little experience thing takes a few seconds to come up. Okay. Well. Ooh, shoot, it's 110. Oh, shoot. Okay, am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? We're gonna donate tomorrow. But this might be cutting it close. Do I have anything that I can donate? No. Okay, we're gonna organize tomorrow. But I need to get to here before... Yeah, there we go. Okay. We're good. Doing it at the last second. Sweet. Sweet. Maple's birthday. Maple's the one... You know what? I'll give her a sapphire. The little child shall have a sapphire. Hello, Betty. I love you, Betty. Love you, Betty. Where is... Where did I put that? Here we go. Okay. And then... You know what? I do have enough stone already. But yeah, I think I'll just use up the stone that I already have. And... go from there. Okay. I'll use up the stone I have and then go on a chop spree. which I could clear out a lot of my farmland, but I kind of like having bits of it be a bit more wild. Sweet. Okay. Request for pudding. I don't know how to make pudding. Wait, where's the child? Here's the child. Hey! Happy birthday. Happy birthday, kiddo.
You remember my birthday? Thank you, Warren. I feel like a queen. Mr. Harold put a Caldosian sword on display at the museum, Warren.
I don't know why I'm giving her a weird... a weird, nerdy voice.
Did you donate it? If you find another one, please donate to me. The Dragon Guard thanks you in advance.
He should be the nerdy one.
Don't you think Mr. Hayden is kind of like a dad?
He's the farm one guy. He's the farm guy, yeah. He takes care of a lot of little baby animals anyway.
And the animals are his kids. His kids are so cute.
Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so I still need a lot of wood, and I need a lot of iron. I forgot to water my crops. I forgot a big step. I'm gonna put the stone away while I'm doing that, and I also need to talk to our buddy the dragon. Nope, this goes up here.
Hey! Hey! Good morning, good morning, good morning!
A meteor shower returns to the skies every year around this time. It is a rare constant, looking back over the years. You said that yesterday. He said that exact same thing yesterday. I'm confused. Oh, we got peppers. We got peppers. We got peppers for days. We got peppers. Peppers. Sell that, and we'll cook up the rest of the corn. Corn time. Yummy, yummy corn. Which would be perfect for today, because I'm going to be chopping a lot of wood. And I can make more corn. I can make more corn. Look at Biddy. Biddy, you're so cute. Biddy, you're so cute. Gotta give you a quick little pet before I go. Alright, watering time. Just go ahead and do that. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Let's see, do I have... No, I just have that extra thing. Alright. Time to chop wood. Wood time. Choppy choppy. I can't wait. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. The thing takes like a full second to pop up. And I'm already walking away by the time it comes up. Did it get it me this time? I don't know. I have quite a lot of essence, actually. I need to see what I can get. Gimme. Hello. You want me to add seawater to the bath so it smells like the ocean? Sure, I can show you how to make a nice seaweed extract, but we'll need to add a big fish to get the ambience just right. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got 3 hearts with Juniper. Is that her name? Is that her name? I forget. Is it Juniper? Yeah, it is Juniper. Okay. I forget people's names. I wanted to make sure. I love these magical trees that regrow every single day. And also regrow as stumps immediately too. Gimme. We're almost at 100 essence. Let's go. Gimme. Here we go. How much wood do we have? 55. We're about 1/8 of the way there, I think. A 10th? Yeah, we're about a 10th of the way there. Gimme. No? Oh, I guess I already got it. If only I could go to the woods and chop down as many trees as I want in there. Branch. Branch. I love the one chop done. Give me that, thank you. We're gonna deforest so much stuff. And then I know the next thing, once I get the shop upgraded, or the general store, I should say. Once I get the general store upgraded, I should be able to upgrade my inventory again. Which would be very nice. I am kind of outgrowing my inventory. There's just so much to grab, and I would like the extra space. Gimme, gimme. Yeah, gimme, gimme. Yeah, all the trees that will magically regrow every single day will regrow tomorrow. Gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. I know I don't need the hardwood for the quest, or the upgrade, but I still want to grab it anyway. Can I chop this down? Yeah, I got room. Any wood is wood. Any wood is wood enough. Any wood is wood enough. I just nearly destroyed this person's home. Whose home is this, actually? Whose home is this? Does it say when I walk in? Errol's cabin. Who's Errol? Errol lives here? I'm confused now. I don't know if this is just my brain making different connections, but I could have sworn that Errol was what's her name? I could have sworn that Errol was Elsie's partner. Or is my brain making weird connections again? 'Cause I'm confused. Unless it's like Elsie has always lived in the I can't chop those down. I don't know. I don't know. I guess even sometimes you need a break from your spouse or partner. I don't know. I'm confused still. Because it's probably he's always at dinner with them at the manor too. Oh, I could also be wrong. I don't know. My brain makes weird connections and then thinks weird things that are not true, and then I just gotta be like, oh, well, I guess I was wrong. Just gotta accept that you're wrong sometimes and carry on. How much wood do I have now? 158. I have 158 wood. I guess this is about how much I got yesterday at the mines, if I just keep at it. I got one more slot in my inventory. One more slot in my inventory. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now it is sleepy time. Now it is eat time. Eat time. I can jump over that. I can't go any further. Okay. Makes sense. It makes sense. Any trees over here? Yes, I see you. No tree is safe. If I dig those up, I'm not gonna have enough room for them. Choppy choppy. Choppy choppy. Night Queen. Have I gotten a Night Queen before? Hold on a second. Wait a moment. What is this? Oh. I can't donate that. I can't donate quite a few things, even though it's just like, here, yes, we want to show what Mystria has in store for people here. But half the stuff you can't really donate to show it off. I guess because they are pretty common to other people, so it's just like, brr, whatever. Oh well. I still need to find that snowdrop thing. That snowdrop flower, I think. I forget what it was. For, a quest. Because I still don't know where that is. Alright, so it takes 4 chops. Oh, I kinda want that. I can eat this. No. Wait. Let me eat the acorns. I'm eating the acorns. This is very unhealthy. Do not eat acorns, IRL. Okay. Jump. No treat is safe. Oh, it's Friday. Oh, it's Friday. Oh, it's Friday. Give me that. Thank you. It's Friday. I gotta go to the inn. I gotta go to the inn. I could drop off some things while I'm going there, but I gotta go to the inn. I gotta go. Let's go. Hello, bug. I thought you were a, essence that I needed to collect. I was wrong. Give me that. Thank you. Give me that, thank you. Wood. We are halfway there. Hello! Revelations about Bright Claw's past bring you to the top of the tower. Oh, they've basically made this the curved or like made a sudden turn in the story specifically because of Bright Claw's like big mix of being an elf, a dragon, and then 2 other things. I think one of them was a unicorn, but I forget what the fourth one was. To the top of the tower, where you finally lay eyes upon it, the legendary Dragonhawk. Silver is overcome with awe. He approaches reverently and coos, in the manner described in Daffodilia's Guide to Birds Strange and Mundane. The ancient bird leaves in a heap, reverberating sigh. Oh dear, it says, another fan. Wait, what?
Can I be friends with it? Can I pet it? I really want to pet it.
Honey, it's a creature of ancient wisdom and power. Besides, you don't know where that legendary bird's been. The Dragonhawk hears your insinuations about its hygiene and has judged you unworthy of giving pets. In fact, it seems quite angry and begins to shimmer.
Mom, you made it angry.
Don't worry, everyone. I will enthrall this bird with the power of conversation. Aram recounts an architectural treatise on stoneworking and... Oh no, you're not getting out of a fight this time. In fact, this parade of buffoonery enrages the Dragonhawk. Illusion falls away, revealing the Dragonhawk's true identity. Demon Lord Blood, who built this tower. An architect, an evil architect. Gasp, an enemy. My enemy. Not just any enemy. Oh, she's the model for the evening. I'm such a fan of this week's model, Orin. Between performing in the opera and walking the red carpet, I'm no stranger to striking a pose. My drawings are pretty bad, but I'll try to do you justice, Elsie. Hayden, if I could point something else, I notice you've got a habit of putting your own drawings down. You avoid sharing them too. It's important to take pride in what you do. And you have fun too, I guess. My goodness, March, as a doctor, I'm afraid I have to diagnose you with the growth of character. What you're all saying is tough medicine, but don't think I'm not taking it to heart. If even stubborn young March can change, then your old friend Hayden can too. Yeah, exactly. Hey, wait a minute. You absolute madman, you did it! Coffee liquor! I know you're a coffee fan, but I've been experimenting since last time I saw Darcy at the market. Took 2 weeks to get the flavor right. Now we've got 2-to-1 for our base liquor and the coffee liquor over ice. That's a nice molasses color, isn't it? It looks a bit bitter, unless, you know it, Raina whipped up some sweet heavy cream for us. Now a big generous ladle on top. Oh my gosh, it looks scrumptious. You're an artist, Hemlock. Cheers!
Look at all the cream blend with the coffee. It looks like a heavy mist over the mountains.
Now, that's a pretty name. I will call it Heavy Mist. So, what do you think, Holtz? I can't talk, too busy drinking. Not even a pun, that's a first. Heavy Mist, an alcoholic drink that blends coffee liquor and sweetened cream. Wait, can I make anything, actually? While I'm here, I can make peaches and cream, but I need a lot more milk. I'll make grape juice. Okay. Grape juice time. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nobody else is here except me. Nobody else is here except for me. Oh wait, I don't have enough room. Oh shoot. You know, I could give this to you as a gift.
Thank you.
Sweet, I got grape juice. Okay, I want to see what these people are talking about up here. What's the gossip this time? Now, Terithia, I've put a lot of thought into this question, so I hope you'll take it seriously. Same to you, Orin. Who here would make the best pirate? I was sworn to answer this question. Errol would look dashing with a tricorn hat, but he gets a tad seasick. Hemlock strikes me as a right salty dog. And Nora would make a fairful captain, but a fair one. Oh, it's difficult to choose. March has that look in his eye that says everyone is his enemy. He might even pull off an eye patch. What do you think, Orin? Del Maple and Look, they play pirates all the time. She'd plunder everyone's hearts. I kind of want to say the kids. They'd be a fun little pirate crew. I have to throw it in with Orin on this one, Terithia. They're half pirate already. Mystery of the original Rascallions. I like this, all these little interactions. Also, my favorite thing, everybody does this little animation where they're sweeping and they do the little hip sway. It's so cute. Feels like summer's just starting, and now it's just about over. When I was Maple's age, summers felt much longer. Wait, I gotta talk to Maple. Maple, let me talk to you.
I don't mind cleaning. A good royal should have a keen understanding of the jobs of her subjects. Phew, the kitchen gets pretty hot in the summer. I wonder how Arthur keeps getting out. I should record this in my tarantula file.
Oh no. He has a tarantula that keeps getting out. Oh shoot, it's at 11. Does the time go slower here? I'm kind of watching it. Okay, no, it doesn't go slower. So I do have to get here at a specific point, or else I'm not going to be able to get all the interactions. Good to note. Also, I think this might be... Let's see. How much time do I have left? Yeah, I think I will head off here. Let me see what the calendar says.
Okay, Sunday is counted as part of the week, but it's at the end. Yay, thank you, Betty. Thank you, Betty. I'm gonna sell the daisies and the cosmos. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna sell that, HP and stamina restoration for 2 hours. That'd be nice. Both of those are pretty good. I'm gonna keep the special drinks. What was that? Okay, put those away so that they don't take up my inventory. And that. And that. And then I'm just gonna go over here and... bonk. Give me that. Now I have 0... Save. And I think I will head off from here, because I have quite a few things to take care of before work. So, and if I start a new day, I'm probably not going to have enough time to get through the whole day. So, this is where I shall head off. It's Saturday Market. I'll head off from here. Let me see... Exit to desktop. Yep, there we go. Okay, so, next time I stream, I think I'm gonna take tomorrow... I think I'm gonna take a break tomorrow, because I have work tonight, and also tomorrow, so... What was that? Oh, that was the dog. I got very confused. But I'm gonna not stream tomorrow so that I can just, like, relax and sleep in as much as I want if I need to, because I will be getting off at midnight, so... At the latest, or at the earliest, I might be falling asleep at 1, which will make me wake up late. And, yeah. Actually, wait, I'm gonna put on the music for y'all again. But, yeah, next time I stream will probably be Saturday. Saturday I am off, so I can stream a lot longer, than today. But yeah, Saturday will be the next time I stream. I will likely be streaming this more, because I am obsessed. I am obsessed with this game. And I am likely gonna be playing it off stream, which I've already been playing it off stream. Just because I don't want to make this a stream-only game, because I have been really enjoying it, and I don't want to have it turn into a situation with Fallout 4, where I want to play it, but I am strictly making it a stream game. Even if I'm just, like, grinding and building and stuff like that. But I guess I could always ask what y'all think about me doing grinding and stuff off stream. But honestly, I might steal Pink's idea by doing my own little Discord streams with grinding in some games. But we shall see. We shall see. Who should we raid? Looking. I think we might raid into Mr. Chapstick. Let me bring this up. Mr. Chapstick. Haven't seen him in a while. But yeah, we're gonna raid into Mr. Chapstick. And next time I stream will be Saturday, and we're gonna be likely streaming this more. And as always, here's the raid message. Hope y'all enjoyed. And I hope to see you here next time. Thank you for joining. It's always nice seeing so many people here. Always nice seeing everybody. Especially when we're all enjoying the game together. But yeah, I'm gonna head off. Have fun at Mr. Chapstick. And I hope to see you here Saturday. Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.